With the consent of other side, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. Here, Lordship, instructions are awaiting, Lordship. I pray for some more time, Lordship. I've taken the consent.
Mr. S.S. Roy, CGC,
Lordship.
appearing for the respondents, submits that he be granted further 3 weeks' time
Lordship.
to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petition. Registry to list this matter again on 3 weeks future. 5
Lordship.
to 2020.
But my Lord
Lord-
Commission, may I mention item number 5? My apologies, my lord, we have not circulated an adjournment slip. With the consent of the other side, may I seek some accommodation for today one? Item 5.
This is that division
SBI
bench order.
Yes, division bench order, which I am relying on to say that I have completed 20 years of service and therefore I have 23 years
But-
of service.
In fact, have you completed 23 years of?
There is no record to the contrary to say that I have not.
No, if you have taken leave, whether that leave will now be also included in the qualifying, sir.
But my contention is that I was
Your
suspended.
contention, fine.
I was
But what is the
suspended
legal position?
because, no, as far as the leave is concerned, there was no DP drawn up on the issue of
It
leave.
need not be. If your leave is against earned leave, medical leave, those would be treated as qualifying service.
Yes.
But if it is UL, how can that be treated? Because there is already a prescription of the bank,
Rules.
that these leaves will not be treated as qualifying
But
service.
pending my DP, I was suspended.
Fine, I got
Saying
it.
that you cannot leave the service. of
And
the-
that has been upheld.
that has been upheld.
That penalty has been upheld. This court required that not dismissal, something else.
Yes.
So it was permissible for them to terminate your services
But with a lesser
with
punishment.
you have not assailed that. You say that you got to have the pension only.
Yes.
You have not assailed the penalty.
Yes.
Then your case should have been that no, this penalty is not possible because court has said no dismissal. Something else. You have not said that.
I'll consider my position.
Who is appearing for the event?
Mal-
Mr. Savalaya. Mr. K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time in the matter. You are arguing or Mr. P.K. Gusar?
No, I'll be.
2 weeks' time to receive further instructions in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. A.K. Sahewala, learned counsel appearing for the respondent bank. Registry accordingly to list this matter again. No? 6-2.
My lord, for that, my lord.
Before that. 2-2. 2-2.
I'm grateful.
It
I'm
please your lordship. Your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 13 of the Delhi list.
13.
13 of the Delhi list.
Why?
My senior has some personal difficulties today.
Who is your senior? Senior.
The person to appear in this matter is Papia.
Who is the senior? Name.
Papia.
Huh?
Papia
A prayer
Chakraborty.
is made on behalf of Miss P. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the
Water Resource Department.
Learned Standing Counsel, Water Resources Department for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner. There's an interim order. There's an interim order.
Let me complete the order. Mr.
Mr. I, Bhuya, Lordship.
I. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, does not object to such prayer made on behalf of the respondents. So accordingly, registry to list this matter after 4 weeks. 9-2. List this matter again on 9-2. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of this.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
May I please,
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
my lord, I beg to mention, I don't know, 54 lordships. Lordship, this petitioner became pensioner lordships and instructed to withdraw the case lordships.
Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner on instruction, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn. On withdrawal.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
1-8.
Yes, madam. Yes,
Hmm.
lordship. The matter may not be taken up by lordship as my lord has appeared for the petitioner in an earlier proceeding, my lord.
Mona Lisa Deka, yes. Not by me. For any other bench, huh?
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 20. The assisting counsel is out of station on a public purpose. Should may adjourn this matter and fix it anywhere, any date on February.
You are appearing for?
I'm appearing for T Parasha on behalf of T Parasha, assisting counsel.
Wait,
She's out of station on a public purpose. I was instructed to make a mention of this matter yesterday night, for which I could not submit the adjournment slip, Your Lordship.
prayer is made on behalf of Miss
Miss T
E.
Parasha.
Parasa for an adjournment in the matter on account of some personal inconvenience. Have you informed the other side?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Prayer is not objected to by the Lanark Council for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks. 9 official day. 4 weeks now, like 13 to is this matter again on 13 to 26?
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing one contempt case, Your Lordship.
How can I? This will go before the senior bench. Bench 3 or bench 2?
Bench 2 matter.
Before the senior bench.
Sorry, may I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 57 and 58 of supplementary list with the consent of other side. My lord, may I kindly grant 3 weeks time to file our reply.
File to Sonaba. Yeah, what's that? Your name?
It's not.
Mr. H. Nath, Lanark Council for the petition appraised that he be granted
3 weeks.
3 weeks, 4 weeks time to file a rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner against the affidavit filed by the respondents. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it.
Okay.
Item number 1, we will pass the order at 2 p.m.
Last of Larry said to file written argument points.
I thought you were not filing yesterday. It was, I told you on 5th you file it. Okay, at 2 o'clock, let Mr. Mohanto be also here. Yes, madam, have you received a copy? Give her a copy. You have not filed any written argument?
We have filed, Lordship.
Not there on record. Aisa nahi hai. Have you received a copy of the written submission filed by the
No,
petitioner?
no.
Give him a copy.
Will.
2 o'clock, come back if there is something more to add. It will be 2:15. 2:15. 2:15. Ibo, what date ready? Yes, Mr. Gulda.
These two matters ought to have been come in the hearing column because matter has already been admitted, madam.
Oh, we are hearing it. Human Rights Commission.
Yes, my lord. Petitioners were initially, my lord, Human Rights Commission was constituted, my lord, on 19/3/1996.
Hmm.
And petition initially, my lord, from government brought some employees from the secretariat, my lord. But those employees were not sufficient to, my lord, perform the duties, and therefore the petitioner, along with some other person, total 11 numbers, my lord, were appointed by the chairman temporarily. And thereafter, my lord, service rule was not there at that time. So, my lord, the petitioner was petitioners along with all other persons were pressing, my lord, for the framing of service rules and for regularizing their services. Subsequently, on repetition was
The
filed.
initial appointment was in pursuance to an advertisement
No, my lord. My lord, their
from the road straight to the office.
Yes. So, my lord, one repetition was filed. Writ petition number 2966.
Therein directions were issued by this court to take appropriate action.
Yes, accordingly, their services were regularized.
Okay.
Their services were regularized, my lord, on 31/7/2006.
31/7.
2006, my lord.
Okay, let us see that order.
Lordship may see the order passed by the Honorable High Court, my lord.
High Court order is only to the extent that they got to take a decision.
Yes. And thereafter, Lordship.
Where is the order?
Yes, meeting of the minutes, my lord. It starts from Annexure 3, page 24.
Hmm.
And regularization order at, my lord, page 28, Annexure 4.
That is also resolution. Your regularization order is page 33,
Page 33.
Annexure 5.
Yes. Lordship may first take up the matter 2297, my lord. 2237.
That is more luckier.
No, my lord, I have prepared from that.
Okay. Page?
Page 33, same, my lord. So, my lord, whereas the petitioner has been working in the Assam Human Rights Commission since 22/1/1997 as Lower Division Assistant continuously without any break. Whereas 2 posts created by the government, white number so and so, are laying vacant. And now, therefore, the Assam Human Rights Commission, in exercise of its powers under Section 27(2) of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, and in pursuance of the minutes of the Commission's meeting held on 26 July 2006, and the resolution adopted in the said meeting in the light of judgment dated so and so, Honorable High Court in WPC number so and so, hereby regularize the services. Sri Jotindra Kumar Goswami in the post of Lower Division Assistant in the pay scale of so and so, plus other allowances as admissible and sanctioned by the government from time to time. If your lordship see the page 31, the resolution, page 31, paragraph, second paragraph, my lord. Now, therefore, the Assam Human Rights Commission, after taking into consideration the above facts and the legal opinion of so and so, in exercise of powers conferred upon the Commission by so and so, the protection of human rights, regularize the service of following 11 numbers of employees against the
Rights,
post
Protection of
indicated.
Human
So the
Rights Act.
seniority of the employees shall be maintained as per their original date of joining in the Assam Human Rights Commission. So, Malad, the present petitioner, he retired on 1/4/2019.
Oh, he retired.
Yes. Now, my lord, question arises whether the petitioner is will be entitled for NPS or the old pension scheme. He has been issued with a note, my lord, letter. Lordship will find that Annexure 7. To, my lord, to submit document for, my lord, NPS. Now, my lord, question is that, my lord, his service was considered from the initial date of his.
Show me that. That he was regularized from the date of joining.
Order itself, lordship.
Show me which part of the order.
Whereas Sri Jotindra Kumar Goswami has been working in the Assam Human Rights Commission since 22/1/1997, continuously without any break.
Continuously without any break. Okay, fine.
And, my lord, if your lordship see that this order has been passed, my lord, on the basis of the resolutions, lordship has, I have already Annexure 4, resolution of the Assam Human Rights Commission adopted meeting held on 26/7/2006, Annexure 4.
No,
And-
show me that this is with retrospective effect. Your order does not reflect that it is retrospective. It is prospective.
This order, my lord, this order has been passed pursuant to that resolution.
No, where is that decision that it will be retrospective?
Page 31, my lord.
Read it.
Now therefore, the Assam Human Rights Commission
Hmm.
are taking into consideration the above facts of the legal opinion of so-and-so in exercise of powers conferred upon the commission by section so-and-so and Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, regularize the services of the following 11 employees against the post initiated in this resolution.
Hmm.
The seniority of the employees shall be maintained as per their original date of joining.
This is for the interstate seniority between those 11 people. It does not regularize your services from the date you were initially appointed. Your regularization is only prospective. If that be so, you are under OPS, NPS, not under OPS.
But if my lord, seniority is counted from the
How
date of
can it-
joining.
No, seniority is counted only for the purpose of fixing your seniority. Date of initial appointment is reckoned only for fixing your seniority. You joined earlier, you will be senior. He joined later, he will be, but regularization is prospective.
And my lord, in the order, my lord,
Which order?
it is admitted that he is in continuous service.
No
since
issue on that.
22/1,
That is why your
1987.
services were
And
regularized.
For counting pension, my lord, for
How can you, that action of your regular appointment, you were on fixed pay. You were not given a scale from 95, have you? You have not been given a scale from 1995, 97, sorry. Have you been given a scale of pay from 1997?
this is not clear.
It's not clear, it's very clear. Anything more, Mr. Kolta?
But yes, my lord. For counting pension, my lord, our High Court has some judgments, my lord, past service, my lord, whether he is he was in a workers employee or in a
That will
as in
not
a
apply.
temporary service. My
That
lord.
will not apply here.
My lord, if he was in temporarily appointed earlier, my lord, so
Okay.
his past service will be has to be considered.
When did you retire?
On my lord, 1/4/2019.
That past service thing will not come here because this is a commission. This is not a central government organization. Where have you pleaded that? You have not pleaded that also. Have you pleaded that?
Which part, my lord?
That the past service is to be considered?
My lord.
And you are not a muck charge of, you were just in that organization, this policies will not apply.
So, my lord, that aspect has been, my lord, elaborately discussed in the earlier judgment, my lord. They have, my lord, appointed chairman. They have given a car, my lord, but driver was not. So,
Fine, got it.
So it was
Then the
seriously
chairman
decided,
picked up people and appointed. There is no issue on that. We have not disputing. But this
Yes.
court did not direct for regularization of your services with retrospective effect.
court, my lord,
Only said
Court-
consider.
consider, but my lord, if your lordship sees the entire judgment,
I am
entire
only
judgment,
concerned with the direction.
but my lord,
Other obiter,
there
but
is
what can I?
indication in the, my lord, body of the order. There is a clear
That,
indication.
whatever the intention be, the final direction is what is to be complied with. And the final direction is consider. They consider, they regularize.
Considering the, my lord, indication,
2006.
yes, their service were regularized.
And in the second case also he is working from 98. He's still working.
Yes, he is still working.
Can't help it. Yes, Mr. Bora.
Lordship, we have otherwise taken the stand that past service, because the Assam Human Rights Commission, it was constituted to be a permanent body. They have annexed it in Annexure 6. Only with effect from the date of its constitution, that is 1996. And also in our affidavit, as well as actually for Assam Human Rights Commission, Miss S. Bora, she was engaged as a special counsel to represent the Assam, but she is not here. But we have taken the same stand on behalf of the Home and Political Department also. We have filed the affidavit also. in that
The
regard.
affidavit of the Human Rights Commission says that they are regularized since that day.
Yes. It is only a prospective effect. And
What do you say about the submission of Mr. Kulta? That, okay, I'm regularized, but now Sanjita Roy and all those line of cases, apply that decision to me also.
Lordship, first and foremost, that would actually happen if they had been a permanent government body at that particular point of time. But they were actually this particular
When did it become a permanent body?
only with effect from 1996.
96.
96.
He joined in 97.
But at the same
96
time,
means
97.
97 only.
So 20 years service he has completed.
But here, what they have stated, that it is a fact that the deponent adopted a resolution. I am reading from the affidavit of the Assam Human Rights Commission.
Para?
Para 4. The fact that the deponent adopted a resolution dated 29/7/2006, in its meeting dated and with the approval, the state government regularized the service of the petition along with other similar employees along with the post. The said resolution, it was also had that the seniority of the employee shall be maintained as per the original date of joining. Next paragraph, Your Lordship, that in regard to a statement made in the petition answering the deponent, it is a fact that the service of the petitioner was regularized with effect from White order dated 31st July 2006. The National Pension Scheme came into force with effect from 1/1/2004. Here I'll just like to take a pause here. Here, what has actually happened? This particular petitioner, he was regularized only with effect from 31st July 2006 on date of order, and the national, and at that particular point of time, the NPS came into force. That's why we are saying that we are also taking the same stand that he will come under NPS. And he had actually next paragraph 6, and it is a fact that the petitioner has opted for an NPS system in the year 2013, and his service was regularized on 31/7/2006. This is important, Your Lordship. He himself has opted for the NPS.
No, that's 13.
That's why.
Regularized with effect, my lord, after coming into force of the new pension scheme. Number 1. Number 2, my lord. Earlier,
And all the other casual Muslims in your departments were also regularized after coming into force of the NPS scheme. But their past services were taken into consideration.
they were under the service of the government, because here, lordship, the parameters laid down in Rule 31. Whether the 3 mandatory conditions have been fulfilled.
This is a statutory body under you only.
This is a statutory body, but
This is a body under you.
but services under the government, and whether he was working in a substantive post or paid by the government, this
There was 2 posts. At least these 2 people were working in his post.
is post, whether they were my lord, validly sanctioned post or not. That extent also, my lord.
There was a valid sanction post, at least for 2 LDS. And these 2 were working against that.
Then, my lord, one condition will whether they were my lord, working in any substantive post, whether it was at all because it was a substantive post.
No, that power is there. Rule 31 can always be relaxed, as you have relaxed in case of the casual Muslims.
But now after Upendas, my lord, no longer applicable, my lord. No master roll worker will be.
No, here regularization Upendas will not come in because they have already been regularized in 2006. It is the question whether 97 to 2006,
Therefore,
that period will be taken into consideration.
past services will be taken into consideration. In fact, Dolly Barbudari lordship is there. If they want to bring home.
He's not bringing it. What can I do?
So whether, my lord, perennial service.
Mr. Kolita, this argument will not do. You will have to do a bit more homework. You have to do a bit more homework. If you attended to what Mr. Borpujari was saying, I think the answer lies there. You will have to do some more hard work. Let us see how far he goes.
Rakesh Kumar is law and I will not spell out.
Let Mr. Kolta come and Kolta, just putting the facts will not do. Work. Bring out that facts. Mr. Patgiri is looking very intently. You can talk to him also. He's a master in this. Heard Mr. N.K. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Bora, learned government advocate, and Mr. R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel, finance department. Mr. N.K. Kolita, after arguing the matter at some length, submits that he be granted further time to place on record judgments in support of his contentions. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again, be Pishantia. 30. But for further hearing, you bring it within 31 and then let's see what we can do. But Mr. Borpujari will have an answer to that also. There is a decision.
After some time, Lordship.
Oh, yes, what happened?
I have got the instructions, Lordship. I have got the instructions.
Not interested in the instruction. I am interested why the money is not released.
Lordship, we have already sent the proposal to the Secretary HAD department for post-facto approval since
When did you send that?
on 4th August 2025, 4th September. Sorry.
Then online proposal could not be given because the required bank documents, that is there.
Lordship, as per my instructions, which I have received, Lordship, here it has stated that it has already been sent on 4th September 2025. It's there on.
We
Because
have
it is-
documents here, we have orders here.
Because petitioner's husband died during his service. period.
Mr. Das, this is going nowhere.
Lordship,
A lady, she's
Lordship.
unnecessarily being harassed. Now you come to the order dated 11/12/2025. You can go through this. Everybody okay? You come up with some instructions which is already outdated.
Lordship.
Go through that order. You have not, your husband had not received his salaries, Mr. Counsel, from the day of initial appointment.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Borpujari, anything?
Lordship,
Received the instruction that, well, there is a pending of this memorandum on the issue, madam. It will pending.
That they have to send it on your Finasam portal.
In some portal and madam, the administrative department concern has been delegated with all the authority and power.
To grant this.
So far as my lord release of first salary and area salary is concerned. And my lord, in the month of March, a proposal was moved, my lord, to the finance department. Finance department has, my lord, readily, my lord, dealt with that proposal and advised, my lord, the department, my lord, to take necessary action in terms of the OL, my lord. The first page, my lord, is a screenshot of the online proposal. And the second bunch of document also will find, my lord, this is the office memorandum of the year 2021. Yes, my lord, subject is simplification of the process for release of regular salary to the newly appointed government employees. What has happened here, my lord, at the relevant point of time, 10 persons were
Given, you gave approval for 9 because the documents of the,
They sent 9.
they did not send. They sent 9, so you could not.
The husband of.
Mr. Das, this is going beyond now the
Lordship.
tolerance capacity of this court.
Lordship, the thing is that
I want the amount. Why are you keeping it? Now the power is with you. Why are you dilly-dallying?
power is not with us, Lordship.
When did he die? When was he appointed first?
Lordship. RT 2007.
2007,
Yes, Lordship.
18 years without salary. Mr. Das, I'm giving you time till 2. Redress the matter, come back. Or we are having everybody here and then we will get it redressed here only. 18 years you are playing with a man's life. Now he is gone. His family is crying before you. They will not even get NPS because NPS credit has not been done. Who will take care of all this?
Yes, Lordship.
You have not. You are only pushing the files. The man is suffering. Man gone. Now, the NPS could not be deducted. The family is left high and dry. They have nothing now. Who will compensate them?
Because, Lordship, as per my instruction.
We don't know anything.
Lordship.
We don't know anything. 2 o'clock. Get your instructions by which date you are paying it. And we are imposing very heavy cost.
Lordship.
2 o'clock. Mr. Das, tell your people to be a little bit more sensitive. Bureaucratic red tapeism is good protection, but you are not disputing his appointment, have you?
No.
Then
You know,
we don't understand any logical reason for not giving him his bank account. Where will the wife give his bank account now? He is no longer in the world.
that is what, Lordship, the post-factor approval has to be sought from the.
Why? It's why 17, 18 years? And further, the finance has already delegated that power to you. Hills area development. Who is appearing for Hills
Hills
area?
area.
Yes, madam, what is happening? You are for the,
NC Hill.
oh, what happened? Same thing.
Okay, Lordship, at
2 o'clock, I want the instruction when you are paying, and both of you will now be responsible to take care of the family of the petitioner. How many years? 18 years he served. When did he die? Mr. Counsel?
Lordship, here, in 2015.
15, 7, 8 years. NPS. Some amount would have come. Now both of you will pay that amount to be in the market mutual fund rate. This is too much. Does not give a very good picture of the departments. Just pushing the file here and there. And why you have to go to the finance? Finance has already delegated that power.
No,
to
we cannot do, Lordship, that we have to do through HAD department. Lordship.
Okay, you have gone through HAD. Why have you not pursued the matter? Why have you not released provisional to her? Provisional salary could have been released to that man. He may have survived, maybe. How did he die? What was his ailment? It's not there in the writ petition. You get your instruction. Madam, get your instruction.
Item 6.
None appears for the petition on copy. Registered to lift this matter. Mr. Aram Das, Learned Standing Counsel.
NC Hills.
NC Hills is present, along with Mr. Ardhar, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate. For the ends of justice, registered to list this matter again after 6 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Yep.
Item 7.
Arrear salary, my lord. The matter was referred to mediation, my lord. Yes,
Mr. Burkhaisto,
Lordship.
you got your pension.
Yes, only the arrear salary.
Then your salaries for the period of suspension was given to you. Then your pay was revised in terms of the pay commission. Now, was the pension also revised accordingly?
Yes, pension revised.
Revised, paid. Now, what is the period you have to be paid? Arrear salary?
Only the arrear salary for the grant of MSCPS, whatever accrued, my lord, that has to be paid.
Suspension period paid.
Everything paid.
Only this MSCPS.
MSCPS area only.
Now, if you grant this MSCPS to you, will there not be a further revision of the pension?
No. Already granted. Already granted.
MSCP granted,
Granted as arrear amount has been settled.
settled,
Proposal
and
has
then
been-
the pension was revised.
Yes. Proposal has
why-
been sent.
Arrears,
Non-drawal is already there.
arrears are also disbursed, my lord.
Disbursed.
My-
That's why you are sitting quiet.
One.
Yes, aku pay license. Yes, recently. Mediation or so.
This, no?
You have already been paid.
Not, he has not been, petitioner has not come to know yet, my lord.
If it is not come to know, come and make a mention.
Let me take instruction, my lord, after
no
10
need.
minutes, after 10 minutes,
No,
my lord.
no.
Just let me make a call.
Okay. After. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, how can we help you here?
My lord, on the last occasion, my learned friend submitted 2 points before this honorable court, and the court asked me to submit on this matter. First point, they said that.
There is no contractual agreement.
And now, my question is that whether they can deny my IMA employee.
Those things are.
They cannot deny, my lord. Because I have initially appointed.
You are not a regular employee.
Not regular. But my lord, let me submit.
There is enough material against you and they have terminated that. That is the end of the matter.
No, my lord. Before that, my lord, I have little submission, my lord. So.
You want to get this matter heard?
Yes, my lord.
We'll have it conveniently. Mr. A.Y. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would require some time to make his submissions. First off, he submits that he would like some time for making his submissions in the matter. First off, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again. Allah bay bonda sunda kuli gine dia. 10/2/2026.
Obliged.
For further hearing. Mr. Chaudhary, judgments.
I have, my lord.
Okay.
I'll put it.
Lordship,
Please.
before my learned friend starts, Lordship, I just
How much?
express
cost?
my.
Cost how
No,
much?
everything is ready, Lordship. We're going to file it by tomorrow.
Just cost how much?
Lordship, everything is ready. Because the concerned person has not been able to come because of.
I'm sorry. 1911, you were given 1 month. If the man cannot come.
No,
within-
everything is ready, Lordship. I'm just going
How
to
much?
file it by tomorrow.
How much?
Lordship,
How
this
much?
time, Lordship. This is the.
Mighty,
This is because of.
mighty.
No,
How
the
much?
thing is that, Lordship, because of my default, because I could not communicate with them.
You pay from your pocket, you pay from the, we are only concerned with the respondents. 50,000?
Lordship, only for 1 day, Lordship.
1 day. 25,000. Order is very clear.
Exactly, Lordship. That I know, Lordship.
You file it within the course of the day, I'll excuse you.
The thing is that I've already communicated their coming, Lordship. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Lordship, it will be there, Lordship.
That is also again doubtful.
No, Lordship, it will be done.
Since
Lordship.
your fight will get cancelled, na?
No, Lordship, it will not. It will be done.
Oh, heavy
They
fog,
can come by road also, Lordship.
Heavy fog.
They-
Road very dangerous.
No, very recently I've been there, Lordship.
Very dangerous.
Lordship, only for 2 days, Lordship. Just immediately on the
This court,
reopening day.
while order dated 19/11/2025 had directed the NIT authorities to file their affidavit in the matter invariably on or before 12/12/2025. However, it is seen that such affidavit has not been filed, thereby violating the orders, directions passed by this court. Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the NIT authority, submits that the affidavit is ready and would be filed
Tomorrow, Lordship.
invariably tomorrow, that is on 8/1/2026.
Yes, Lordship.
Also, registry to list this matter again on 9/1/2026.
I come from Delhi, my lord, so if it could be the first.
So,
week
sir,
of
we are not
February.
for you hearing you. We are ensuring that the affidavit is filed.
Please, for hearing.
9/1/2026. In the event the affidavit is not filed by 8/1/2026, such affidavit would be permissible to be filed by the NIT authorities only on payment of a cost of rupees 5,000.
Obliged, Lordship.
But a rejoinder within a week, my lord, I may be permitted to.
Sir, 9th, let it come. We will do what is required. You have an advocate here.
Please, my lord.
Ask him, give him a convenient date. We will fix the matter accordingly. I'm only ensuring that
It
affidavit.
will be listed on 9th, Lordship.
It will be listed on 9th. You need not be here on 9th.
Then any date, my lord, the local council.
Oh, how can I fix the date? If they don't
9th
file it,
Yes.
I
9th
have
is
to
the
go
next
5,000
day.
I have to realize that money from them. Then only I'll proceed. You ask your local council to have a date convenient to you.
Make a mentioning before, my lord, and take.
Please do so. On 9th, ask your local council to mention that date. I'll fix the matter on that.
I'm highly obliged.
Your name?
Sagar Saxena.
Mr. S. Saxena, learned counsel for the petitioner is present.
I'm obliged.
Whenever it's convenient to you, just give that date, we'll fix the.
My lord, I'm
How
highly
much
obliged.
accommodation we can do for you?
I'm highly obliged.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Padgiri.
covered matlab Nasir Hussain Molla and
Where is my order? My order. My orders.
regarding Panchayat.
Oh, this one, same. Ask Mr. M. Islam. Get a copy.
Lordship, I'm just praying that the matter will come after some day
No.
because the review once taken up will be disposed of.
Which review?
We have filed a review against the writ appeal. Writ appeal 133 of 2023.
Fazlil.
No,
Fazlul.
Fazlul Abi, that's
Nasir Hussain Molla.
Nasir Hussain Mullah.
Nasir Hussain Mullah will come, but, but
Nur Hussain Mullah.
Finally, the Supreme SLP already.
I have passed many orders.
So after the dismissal of the SLP, we have come before the division bench again by filing an IA. That IA was disposed of, although the clarification which we had sought for was not.
What is the clarification you sought for?
We are actually asking for which date is to be taken into consideration.
That is already there in Fazlil BB. Why? What further date? Date of initial appointment.
No, there was another case that was Gaon Panchayat Secretary Association. Where
No, forget that. That is a different fact situation altogether. Unfortunately, this one was the other side. That's it. That is a totally different factual matrix.
I'm just playing the ones that review.
Therein there was regularization. That is all creation of Mr. Borpujari. There was regularization, post not created, subsequently post created with retrospective effect. They claim seniority. You paid them APS 10 years, 20 years from the date of that. I think writ petition was allowed. Then you give me that order. We'll dispose it of. Ask Mr. Islam. He'll give.
Obliged.
M. Islam.
Is your lordship?
Yes, Mr. Adhar.
My lord,
The
Lordship,
legal
I-
remembrance has given the clearance.
Lordship,
Right?
I returned to them. In fact, I called them yesterday. They have not given any kind of instruction.
My lord, I think there is a way out, my lord. We have given them 3 reminders, my lord, LR. On 6th, then last 27th, 5th. 3 letters are there, my lord. But my lord, I have a letter in the 4th page. It starts, my lord. It is addressed to me, my lord, by the PW department, my lord. My lord, it's very crystal clear. Only the thing is that since the case is pending, otherwise, my lord, we have almost finalized.
Do it.
Since, my lord, only this case is
Let
pending.
Mr. Adhar, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel, PWD,
My lord.
has placed on record an instruction received by him on
My lord, it's dated 11/10/25.
dated 11/10/2025, issued to him by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, PWRD, ESTT-B branch. So, the said instruction is to the following effect. A2,
সব করে দিছে এইটা না করে দেখেন না 5 তারিখ 5 ইনস্ট্রাকশন
A2A, yeah.
8 তারিখ 6 কই না করে কালি তাহলে
Also, a perusal of the said instruction would reveal that the petitioner herein was promoted with retrospective effect against a vacancy arising on account of the retirement of Sri Nokul Kotoki, assistant engineer, on 31/7/2019. Also, the said promotion of the petitioner was effected with effect from 30/9/2020. Also, Accordingly, it is seen that there was an existing vacant post against which the services of the petitioner could be regularized, and there is no need for creation of a supernumerary post.
Exactly, my lord.
If the above is the position, the exercise undertaken by the Public Works Department authorities for getting approvals from the Judicial Department as well as from the Personnel Department, being only with regard to creation of a supernumerary post in respect of the petitioner herein, comma, the said exercise may not be required to be carried forward. Also, the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Commissioner and Secretary Public Works Department, it will be what, roads or building?
Roads, my lord.
Roads, Public Works, Roads Department, Public Works, Roads Department shall take a decision in the matter in terms of the instructions as issued, as contained in the said letter dated, about in the said communication dated 11/10/2025, within a period of 2 weeks from today. On the next date of listing, Mr. Dhar shall apprise this court of the outcome of such shall apprise this court about the decision arrived at in the matter by the authorities. Registry to list this matter again on 9/2/2025. You'll get it. Mr. If that is the position, why
That is-
move around?
Yes, my lord.
दे तुमने green color 8 way. Click extract query whatever. Now did you to market? Why you thought?
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we have given our affidavit in opposition for signing and vetting. There is a connected case, my lord, which is fixed on 30th January. Perhaps, my lord, he's only there, my lord. This matter may be fixed with that case, my lord.
Mr. A. Phukan, learned counsel for the. Mr. Go ahead, let it come up together.
Yes, my lord. My lord, thing is that, my lord, some observation has been given, my lord, by this honorable court. Order is, my lord, last paragraph, my lord.
Which order? In the other case?
Yes, my lord. Same petition, my lord. Same nature of it. Second last. It was executive order is page, my lord, 97 and XR 7, my lord. In additional affidavit, my lord.
Where is the impugned order here?
My lord.
31/5/2024.
Yes, my lord. They have negated the claim, my lord. During the pendency, my lord, this executive order, my lord, issued, my lord.
Mr. Heard Mr. A. Gohain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Phukan, learned standing counsel.
SAD.
SAD, SAD, comma. Mr. Phukan submits that the affidavit on behalf of the GAD or SAD.
It's actually GAD now, but it's SAD is a part of GAD also.
Okay, GAD.
GAD.
Mr. Phukan submits that the affidavit in the matter would be filed. Affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him would be filed on or before.
My lord, 25th January.
On or before 25/1/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 30/1/2026 along with WPC number 7225/2025. We'll see on that day.
On that day, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Lordship, we have sent an affidavit for wetting, your Lordship,
Oh, where did you send it? Vetting, where did you send?
on December, your Lordship.
No, where?
Or to the
Outside
department,
India?
Lordship,
Inside India? Where?
the department, your Lordship.
Department. The authorities don't come and sign here. Before the Oath Commissioner. The niyam is before the Oath Commissioner or before the notary. You have a permanent notary there.
No, your Lordship.
Then you bring it home and get it signed by the notary in your house. Thereafter. Or when are you filing it?
After the vacations, your Lordship,
Why?
because we haven't
They
received.
don't have time to read the affidavit or they don't
If we
believe.
receive it by tomorrow, then we will file it by tomorrow, your Lordship.
Oh, wait. Ifs and buts, no. Give me a date.
After the vacations, your Lordship.
Director of Secondary Education has filed.
Oh, madam wants to file another affidavit. Why should we prevent her from filing?
That is another, but it is not disputed.
We have to annex it, sir.
Miss H. Tarangpi, Learned Standing Council,
Secondary education.
Secondary Education Department submits that an affidavit on behalf of the
Director.
huh?
Director.
Director Secondary Education.
Lordship.
He has already filed.
No, your Lordship, one documents we have to annex, one additional.
An additional affidavit on behalf of the submits that an additional affidavit on behalf of the Director of Secondary Education would be filed on or before
19 or 20, your Lordship.
2026. Accordingly, she prays that the matter be taken up after 2026. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 4/2/2026. Also, no further time would be granted for filing pleadings by the respondents in the matter.
Plus-
The amount has been released, my lord. He may have the instruction. Lordship, the only thing is that he has received the amount, but Lordship, they have sanctioned it beyond 3 months at the rate of 50% only. Your
Okay,
Lordship.
that you will have to come back. That is not involved here. You come back. You come back or you make a representation. We'll provide for that.
Yes.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General on instruction submits that the salaries of the petition, areas of salaries for the petitioner for the period.
No,
It's only the
only the
subsistence.
Yes.
The areas of the subsistence allowance, salary, no, the areas of the subsistence allowance receivable by the petitioner with effect from November 2023 to November 2024, right?
Lordship.
Has been- Has been
No, it's for
computed.
August, my lord.
Huh?
August.
For the period he was placed under suspension period. Was computed and has been released to the petitioner. What's up? The Learned Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner being under suspension for a period more than 3 months, the respondent authorities were required to increase the subsistence allowance receivable for the initial period of suspension, that is for the initial 3 months, by 75% of the salaries receivable by the petitioner. He submits that the respondents, while releasing the subsistence allowance for the period involved to the petitioner, had not reckoned, had not provided for the enhanced rate of subsistence allowance receivable by him. Also, the said prayer has not been made. The said relief has not been sought for in the present petition. Also, the subsistence allowance being released to the petitioner, no further issue would arise for consideration of this court in the present proceedings. However, in the event the petitioner has any grievance with regard to the rate at which the subsistence allowances were authorized to him by the respondent authorities, the petitioner is at liberty to prefer a representation before the competent authority for enhancement of his subsistence allowance and for release of the areas thereof to him. In the event the grievance of the petitioner is not so redressed, it will be open to the petitioner to approach this court by way of filing an appropriate application. So, with the above observations and directions, the present writ petition stands disposed of. Mr. Upatadali Hiba, your name?
P. Khatonia, Lordship.
He heard Mr. P. Katonia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, additional AG, appearing for the state respondents, and also just saw Mr. B. Sharma, learned, saw nili just also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned standing counsel, AG Assam.
Lordship.
I did not hear you. Now how can I write?
Lordship.
I heard you.
Lordship.
Now I heard you. Now I can write.
Lordship, only one thing, Your Lordship. If you prefer the read petition, Lordship may ask them to dispose it within a reasonable period of time.
I'll put that. Anyway, when I drafted up, I'll put that. I'll direct you to make a representation. I'll change it. I'll ask you to make a representation, and they will dispose it of within a period of 2 months.
Oh, obvious.
Will do.
Lord, last August, my lord, instruction was sought for.
Yes, I have received instruction, Lordship.
Hmm.
The signature verification process has completed of the petitioner. The report has received from CFPP and CRB. And it is sent for further necessary action, Lordship.
What is that
That
report?
that report that is not mentioned here, but by over telephone, that is genuine and
Signatures are genuine.
yes, Lordship.
Then now what would be the consequence?
Next procedure for further action, it is sent for SSC, Lordship, Staff Selection Commission, and after that, within 2 months, appointment will be made.
Why 2 months?
Uh,
If the signatures are his, the allegation goes,
Yes, Lordship.
he is to be immediately appointed.
Some time required.
Okay, I'll give you time till 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. You get your instructions when you are appointing them. Why keep these people hanging? They also have an expectation.
Yes, Lordship.
Why keep them hanging?
Others have already been appointed.
Ms. S. Burwa, learned CGC submits that
1 month.
the
Within 1 month,
the forensic examination
May I-
result, a forensic examination report from the Central Forensic Science Laboratory of the handwriting of the petitioner as figuring in his where was this error found?
It has been stated, my lord, biometrics were not
Biometrics.
missing in a different places. In the process of interview.
CFSL report, CFSL examination report of the signatures and handwriting of the petitioner with the question documents has been answered in favor of the petitioner. So, she submits that the matter is now pending with the CISF group headquarters, the CISF Northeast Zone headquarters for further action. She prays that the matter be taken up on 9/1/2026, on which date she shall apprise this court about the decision arrived at in the matter, and also if the same is in favor of the petitioner, by when the petitioner would be offered an appointment in terms of his selection, in the selection in question, in the recruitment process in question.
9 months.
9 months. Madam, you get it.
Mr. M. Khan will on legs, my lord. Court number 14, after some time, my lord. Or at 2 PM, my lord.
Argue.
No, my lord, I have no file, my lord, but he is on legs, my lord.
Find me.
My lord. It is, my lord, covered case, my lord. But pension is not made, my lord, paid, my lord, due to, my lord, not completion of 1 year service after regulation counted.
Oh, I think we are passed
My
out.
lord.
No appeal against this.
No, my lord. Paragraph 13, my lord, 11.
Itu ma correction hatadi kori dim. To copy pasteeki hobe.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
Covered matter.
Lordship, I have received the instruction yesterday, Lordship. The office order was of 5/10/2005, Lordship, with effect from 22/7/2005, but the petitioner expired on 16/9/2005, Lordship. Lordship, yesterday I have received the. if
No
Lordship-
problem. We have covered
Take
that. That issue has already been decided by this court. Not only this, there are 2-3 judgments passed on.
Yesterday, Lordship, I have received the instruction.
Oh, no. There is another judgment. Where is Mr. Gogoi is here now? Where is your order of regularization?
My lord. Page, my lord, 15, my lord.
Madam, his name was there in the order of regularization,
My lord.
approval order.
Page 15, my lord, regulation order and list, my lord, page 16.
16, okay. Your name is at serial
My lord,
number?
my husband name Jogendra Das.
8.
E. Mongolde. Serial
So,
number
but
8.
her case is that you died before
1
that
year
date.
of service from regulation.
Although you were regularized from 22/7/2005,
5.
Before
you died on
16/9.
16/9. And the order was passed on 2/3/2006. So, but he was there on 22 when the effect was given, he's there.
Yes. When the effect was given, he was there.
That's it. But what more? Deemed. And madam, even if it is, he dies in the meantime, before the order could be issued, there is a provision in the government decision that for death, persons who have died or superannuated during that period, their services a day prior to their death or day prior to their superannuation, services will stand regularized.
Finance department.
Office memorandum. And we have passed a judgment on this also.
My lord. Another case, my lord. Renu Hazarika. My lord.
Renu Hazarika. You were there.
My lord. Sericulture.
Mr. Dhar was opposing like tooth and nail.
Yes, but.
This is the one, yes. And this was not shown by you. This was shown by the magnanimity of Mr. B. Gogoi.
B. Gogoi.
Although he then on the next day said, my lord, there is something, I'm not arguing anymore. Then they pointed this out to me. Okay. Where is that judgment of Renu Hazarika?
My lord.
Can you give a copy?
Renu Hazarika,
My lord.
Renu Hazarika.
Disposed of. Give a copy, I'll pass this.
My lord.
Renu Hazarika.
Get a copy.
My lord.
Give it to her.
Obliged.
Namgita Lulu Subar. You're also appearing in this case.
For the pension.
On right.
My password is matter for timing.
No, not today. We don't have time today. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioner, raised it to list this matter.
I will proceed, Lordship, in this case. Lordship, because it's a simple matter, Lordship, regarding the promotion of the petitioner, Lordship, from Assistant Conservator of Forest to
Affidavit has been filed.
Lordship.
You're not filing affidavit.
I know, we have received instruction that in the next DPC, his case will be placed, my lord, for promotion.
Why was this case not placed in the earlier DPC?
Earlier DPC were because his APR was not on record, my
What
lord.
is APR?
Annual property return, my lord.
Okay, why was it not on record?
As per our records, my lord, there was some delay in submission. Just 2 days later, his APR was received. After that,
So if it
previous
is only for that reason you have not considered his case,
Yes.
then he loses seniority now, right?
I have filed an additional affidavit to bring on record why the concerned DFO couldn't submit the APR of the petitioner on time, Lordship. Lordship may kindly look into the Annexure A at page 39.
This is not on record.
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit, but it is not on record. We have filed it on 5th of. This is a copy of the affidavit. I will serve the copy. Page 39 also. Private respondent. Lordship,
So you will have to have a review DPC now.
yes, ideally that should be the course.
When can you file your affidavit?
2 weeks more may be given, my because they
Last chance.
yes.
We'll direct for a review DPC here, but let them bring that on record. But Mr.
H. Agarwal.
H. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. I. Bothakur, Standing Counsel, Forest Department. Mr. Bothakur submits that he would file the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him on or before 22/1/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 29/1/2026.
My lords, I appear for the respondent number 6 to 10, my lord.
Mr.
A. Borua.
A. Borua, Learned Counsel, is present for respondents number 6 to 10. You can take this back and you give her a requisition sheet.
Lordship, it will come on record.
Yes, Mr. Saikia, what are you waiting for? Both the AGs, what are they waiting for?
Back the next matter.
Oh, okay.
Like, my lord, there are some connected matters which are fixed on 21st of January. One of them where I am appearing is WPC number 439 of 24. So these matters also may come up with that. And perhaps, my lord, I have this feeling that perhaps your lordship may not like to take up these matters.
Wait.
These matters pertain to those contractual teachers, my lord, where in some matters I am told your lordship had appeared.
If he is there, I might have appeared also.
If the soft corner is no more there, then lordship can hear it.
In any case, the connected matters, your lordship may simply say
When will it be convenient?
21st.
21st, the other matters are already fixed.
Okay.
So your lordship may simply say along with.
Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. S.P. Sharma. Also heard Mr. D. Soikia, Learned Advocate General, Assam, assisted by Mr. Tonia, Learned Standing Counsel, Education Department, appearing for the state respondents. It is submitted at the that similar matters, another similar issues, petitions involving similar issue is directed by this court to be listed on 21/1/2026. The Learned Counsel for the Senior Counsel for the parties submit that the present writ petitions be also taken up on 21/1/2026. Accordingly, registry is directed to list these matters again on 21/1/2026.
Without me, that otherwise it may come back again.
Full stop.
Along with WPC number 430.
Why can't I appear in these matters?
In the other series.
In the other series. So today, how can I say I can't appear?
Lordship cannot appear, lordship can take up.
She will.
Along with WPC number 439.
That case, I am there.
Yes.
Oh, along with WPC number 439/2025, full stop.
24.
24. So as WPC number 4329,
431.
439, 2024 cannot be taken up by this bench. Registry to list this matter before any other appropriate bench without me, bracket of Mundam. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Just picking up the tricks of the trade now, slowly.
There's an interim order that has to be done.
Interim order, oh, that how can I, if I can't take it up?
It is only the connected matter, your lordship.
Will not do anything, lordship.
তার আগত এই যে list along with village যেটো কৈছো তার আগত লিখা interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing, huh? তার পিছত এই list this matter along with so and so তার বিষয়ে
Obliged.
keeping all safe.
Matter pertains to my lord, family pension to unmarried dependent daughter, my lord. The pension proposal kindly see page 27, my lord. Pending before the AG, my lord.
No, Lordship, I have updated instruction, my lord. AG has saw some more documents from the petitioner and we have directed the concerned DTO to collect all the documents. In fact, we have collected and sent them again to the Accountant General on 3rd of November 2025. The second place, Office of the AG has sought some more documents, my lord.
Who is appearing for the AG?
It's my lord,
AG is not a party.
Yes.
B. Chakraborty, my lord.
It's appearing.
Lordship, I have to verify whether it is.
You verify and tell me. These documents were given to you on 3/11/2025. Long back. Girl is unmarried girl, destitute. Your parents are not there. Father, mother, both gone.
My lord, both gone.
Then societal responsibility at 2 o'clock. You
Lordship, in this case, B. Chakraborty appeared. I will inform him.
Miss MD Bora, Learned, Standing Council, Transport Department submits that while communication dated 3/11/2025, the department had forwarded to the Principal Accountant General bracketed A&E Assam the documents as sought for by it for processing the pension proposal in respect of the petitioner hearing. Also, on the next date of listing, the Learned Standing Council, Mr. A. Boro,
R. Boro.
R. Boro, Learned Standing Council, Mr. R. Boro, Learned Standing Council AG, A&E, shall apprise this court as to the stage at which the pension proposal, processing of the pension proposal of the petitioner is presently pending. Also, he shall also apprise this court as to the period by which the pension and pensionary benefits receivable by the petitioner would be released to her.
Lordship, I may be provided the instruction.
Download it, that will give. That should,
I'll provide.
that should.
Lordship, I kindly keep my instruction the further.
The communication dated 3/11/2025 along with the communication dated 11/7/2025 furnished by Miss MD Bora is kept on record and marked as X.
I'm so deeply obliged. Lordship, I fix the matter on
Oh, kundina disu kiba date disu niki?
No,
9.
no.
List this matter again on 9/1/2026. Mr. Boro, 9/1.
Lordship.
Obliged.
May please your lordship. My lord, this matter is covered by Syed Fazlur Rabbi Judge. The petitioner has been paid, but a lawyer pension has been paid.
Oh, that.
My lord,
Give me a similar order.
my lord.
Make the corrections, give it to me. And give a copy to Mr. Patgiri also. He also has a similar matter.
My
Make the corrections, give it to him.
Item 31 is the same, my lord.
Huh?
Item 31 is.
31, okay. 31 also same.
31 also same, my lord.
30, 31,
Not 30. 30,
29 and 30, no.
30, 30, 31, sorry.
Huh?
Only 31,
Only 30.
27 and 31 Lordship.
31.
Okay. And your matter was?
My lord, regarding pension, my lord.
When?
Appeared on in the year 2021, my lord.
Oh, your item number was?
9.
Item number.
Panchayat.
On the item number 10.
10.
10. 10, 27, 31. Ekalage jabo de. You make those corrections and give it to.
Highly bless you, Lordship.
And you also, Mr. Das, if Patgiri, you just make the roundabout, or you make the corrections, give it to her. Moje dimbele kushu correct koi dibo. More order ase. Okay. Bye dibo.
Give it this. May I please, Lordship?
Ekalage to me time give. Holding is item and holding it. Yes.
My pleasure, Lordship. My senior is on legs.
Who is your senior?
J.K. Goswami.
Huh?
Mr. J.K. Goswami.
What happened? Who is Mr. DJ Boro? Standing Council, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department?
No, my colleague. Mr. J.K. Goswami is standing council.
Not Mr. DJ Boro.
No.
Why did we record Mr. DJ Boro's name? You're DJ Boro.
No. I'm M.K. Bora.
Get Mr. Goswami. Any progress?
No, my lord.
No progress. We'll get
Only
Mr.
problem is he is retired on February, my lord.
He'll retire on February. Oh, today itself.
Lordship.
Get him.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 6, Lordship. We need 4 weeks' time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
Oh, first returnable day. Ms. P. Sharma, learned counsel appears for the respondent number 6, right?
Lordship.
And prays that she be granted 4 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the matter. Also, the state respondents are also directed to file their response in the matter before the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again. February last month.
Lordship, may Lordship in similar such the other coordinate bench has sent for review of the Lordship.
162 D, Lordship.
162.
Nampura.
Lord Burahal. Against that appellate order, my lord, that 162 is.
No appeal has been filed here.
My lord,
They
appeal,
appeal
my lord, already disposed, my lord.
Ah.
Subsequently, my lord, government in review, my lord. The review is not a second time of litigation, my lord. Second round of.
We'll consider.
Lord.
You file your affidavit.
Lordship.
Oblige.
Lordship, recruitment case, I'm waiting for instruction, not yet received.
Ms. B. Sharma, learned CGC submits that she be granted further 4 weeks' time to complete her instructions in the matter and file an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her. Also, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again. 4 weeks of bishop.
Right.
Obliged. ওই guitar আছে না? Yes, madam. Anything more?
Lordship, I would like to produce one judgment, Lordship. Jago versus Union of
Oh,
India.
those have gone. Those that will not have no application.
Upeda's covered, yes.
তোমার ভোট হয়ে গেছে না? 5:30 উল্টো। That was second effort, Mati given. Upendas, we are disposing it of from Upen. She has already taken 4-5. She'll not be able to. Somebody coming, I'll put it on. Second, 2 o'clock.
Second.
If you're not here also, no problem.
No, I'll be here, Lordship.
Then it'll most welcome.
Lordship, last occasion, instruction was sought for by this honorable court, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Borwa.
Super.
How was this process taken after this? Forget his case. I want to know how the appointments were made for the remaining posts after the directions at page 23. You have got your instructions.
No, Lordship, today I have a lack of instructions.
Mr. C.K. Sarma Borwa, Learned Counsel for the Learned Government Advocate, submits that he be granted further further time till 27
January.
1/2026 to complete his instructions in terms of the query raised by this court by the order dated 5/1/2026. We'll see. Let us come.
Can it be taken after some time?
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, they have already, as per last order, already received the instructions, Lordship, but they have not filed the affidavit yet, Lordship.
I did not get it.
Already they have received, as per last order, Lordship, they have received the instruction, Lordship, but affidavit was to be filed after 2 weeks.
Oh,
Lordship.
receiving instruction and
They have not filed the
it is only raw material. Then it is a big processing process left. Then you may have an affidavit, you may not have an affidavit.
That's why I.
So instruction and affidavit has got no connection at all.
They got those, they seek for 2 weeks to file the affidavit. Lordship.
That has got no connection at all. What is your grievance?
Lordship, my promotion is kept in the seal envelope, Lordship. And there are 2 things which can be done, Lordship, as to whether the departmental proceeding is pending or not, or Lordship, the search sheet has been filed or not, Lordship.
In your case, what it is? Why was it kept in seal cover?
Because Lordship, there was an FIR, Lordship, against me, Lordship.
Only an FIR.
Yeah,
No charge sheet.
No, Lordship.
Prosecution sanction also there.
Huh?
Prosecution sanction is there.
That is of no use. That means charge sheet filed.
Charge sheet file
Prosecution sanction is of which date?
of 19/11/24 and
the
DPC
is?
DPC is of, my lord, 6/3/25. Post. My lord,
Mr.
initial instruction, my lord, that was not, my lord, educate. So I didn't file. So latest instruction has come.
Mr. Counsel, if there is a charge sheet, K.B. Janaki Raman will come into effect. Your case will remain under. Mr. Adhar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would file an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him on or before 31/2026, registered to list this matter again on 9/2/2026. If it was an FIR stage, I would have allowed your case now only.
Oh, no, my
But
lord.
once it is charge sheeted, prior to the date of consideration by the DPC,
That is the instruction, Lordship, they had to.
let him file. If there is something, you also take your instructions. If there is something,
Yes,
bring it on record.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Dhar may have just off the cuff about some other case, may have applied it in your case. Don't know.
Since now initial instruction, my lord,
Not there.
not there, but now the latest instruction has come. That already prosecution sanction is given in 24 November.
So charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet isn't filed.
Okay, let's.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please? All the petitioners, my lord, before lordships are, my lord, homeguards. Some are working, my lord.
You're working as SPO.
My lord.
If they don't require SPO, how can you force them to keep you on service?
Initially,
Homeguard is something different.
my lord, initially, my lord, we were appointed as SPO, my lord. Secondly, my lord, they have, my lord, converted us to, my lord, homeguards.
Lord, in my lord, item number 59 and 63, my lord, they have not filed. And my lord, regarding item 62, my lord, there is some office note. I am to file an IA, my lord, for correction of address of respondent number.
Yes, Mr. Dhar. SPO, are you continuing with SPOs?
No, these days, no, we are not continuing. My lord, the thing is that the petitioners, they are living in some hope. That is also sometimes I feel like
Okay. We'll not destroy their bihus. After the bihus, we'll take them.
My lord.
As agreed to by the Learned Council for the party. Mr. Budhor, you give me some written instruction on that. Affidavit may not be required. You give us a written instruction from the competent authority as to the stand. That's all.
well.
As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 3/2/2026. So on the next date of listing, in the event the affidavit is not filed by the state respondents, Mr. Dhar, learned additional advocate, additional senior government advocate, shall place on record the stand of the respondent authorities received in writing from a competent authority of the department. Right? You are now Home Guard.
My lord. Initially, my lord, we were appointed as SPO, my lord.
No, your termination is from Home Guard or from SPO?
Now, my lord, from Home Guard. Oh. My lord, they have filed affidavit, my lord, in item number 60, my lord.
Affidavit is there?
Yes, my lord.
And
Item 60, my lord, they have filed affidavit. Here, my lord, they have
66.
stated that Home Guards and SPO are in same footing, so.
Oh, where, show me the affidavit. I thought all our similar affidavits have not been filed. Yes, where? Page, item number 60.
My lord.
WPC 4584.
My lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
There is no affidavit here.
Then in 61 also, my lord, they have filed.
61 not shows an affidavit as anything. Can you give me a copy of that affidavit?
Thank you. Yes. Hi. Pero it may listen.
What is wrong in that stand? You cannot claim permanent, perpetual appointment as an Home Guard date. That is done in rotation basis. 6 months, 3 months. Again, a new set is coming in. Then again, they'll be withdrawn. The new set would come in. That is the system they follow. And you are paid for the period when you are being engaged. You cannot be regularized. In the latest recruitment, there was a quota prescribed. I think we'll close this repetition.
Yes, my lord, their requirements is there, my lord. They are.
Whenever there is a requirement, they will bring you back in.
My lord, what
They have not,
my lord, what they're doing.
they have not derostered you as a Home Guard. They have only removed you from the duty so as to bring in some similarly situated person. That's only. What error have they done?
But later will come up after, my lord.
No. Today itself. We were expressing urgency today itself. Now you are.
After vacation, my lord. Today, my lord, I am ready, my lord. After vacation, on any date, my lord, I will.
Like Agor order to cancel COVID.
To that effect, there is an affidavit.
No, I did not know because I saw 1 or 2, it was not there.
We have also filed for response in there.
Okay, fine. We'll consider. Here. In my house also, there are home guards deployed.
My lord.
3 months afterwards, the what they call it, warrant is changed. It's a different thing I kept them. So they are not changed because they are there for some time now.
Yes.
But system is 3 months, they keep on changing. Maybe in Karimganj, it is a little bit more, less requirement, maybe, or more requirement.
My requirement
So
is there,
6
my lord.
months.
My lord, what they are doing, my lord, as a engage some, my lord, new person, my lord, after 6 months. On
These
their
are
own
basically,
side.
my lord,
You don't have a right for regularization. Where is that decision of this court? The same issue, whether it can be regularized or not. A matter went up, my Lord Justice Ratan Kumar's judgment.
I will find out, my lord.
Just find out. I think there was a case that they will have to be paid the minimum. Jagjit Singh was adopted. Matter where I forgot. There was a decision. Just check up. Just check up. Heard the Lanka Council for the parties at some length. Registry to list this matter again on 22 Pari. Kundina Pari. 29/1/2026 for further hearing. You get those judgments.
My lord,
No need to file. We have one affidavit. I think that will cover.
My lord, let it be on first week of, my lord, February, my lord.
Why?
My lord, on 29, my lord, my senior will be out of station, my lord.
Oh, you are the senior. We know you only. Why trouble Mr. Chaudhary for
No, my lord.
small matters?
On 2, my lord, on 2 February, my lord.
On 2.
Bless me.
Mr. Ndar, you just may, I may be wrong also, but I think I have read one judgment. Some
Yes, my lord.
Supreme Court order is also there. There's a Supreme Court decision also on that.
May I please, Lordship? Other side has appeared today.
So I'll
You
file.
are for?
I'm for the sole respondent, Lordship, and she was the incumbent, Lordship. She was terminated from their service, Lordship.
Against the award.
Against the award, final award.
This society is again a society within the refinery.
Yes,
Under the management of the refinery.
not management, it's just independent body.
Okay.
Registered under the Cooperative Society Act.
It's a different, although it is there, but it is an independent.
Among the employees,
So what is the error in the decision?
Lordship, may give him for the timing, it may be deferred. My actually colleague has not yet appeared. He is busy in some other courts. For the time being,
What do you want? Want to hearing today?
If required, I'll file an affidavit, Lordship.
If required is for you, not for me. If you want, you file. If you don't want, don't
I will
file.
file, Lordship, an affidavit.
I'm only if you don't file it, the file will be little bit less weight. That much only. It is better for me.
I'll file, Lordship.
Mr. R. Fukan, Learned Counsel for the Learned Counsel appears for the respondent number, sole respondent, and submits that he be granted a 2 weeks time to file his response in the matter. Prayer accepted. A registry to list this matter again. 2-2.
Lordship, interim order was there, maybe extended. Interim order was there.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged. Hold on.
May I please, your Lordship? My lord, in this matter, my lord, through new incumbents, I shall have to implead, my lord. Chief Engineer, Irrigation Department, and Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Irrigation Department, my lord.
Get Mr. B. Chaudhary. Madam, No. Ms. Bora. This is a matter of contempt petition pertaining to the, what do you call that, agriculture department. You appear for the agriculture department? Huh? Muster roll worker is before us. A direction was passed by this court on 13/11/2019 to consider her case in terms of para 22 of Upendas. Nothing has been done. Give her a copy of that.
Pending instruction.
Raised it to list this matter again on short date दिए 28, 29 की बहन है 21 1/2026 Miss
Arbor.
R. Bora Learned Standing Council Agriculture Department has been requested to receive instructions as to the compliance of the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 13/11/2019 in WPC number 2488/2014. So, Ms. Bora, on the next date of listing, shall apprise this court about the same. Also, registry to list this matter again on Kiman 21/9 উপর লিখছে যদি আরো এবার তলত লিখে দিবা একটু কাটি কিনে একটু লিখে 21/1/2026 reflecting the name of Miss R. Bora, Standing Council Agriculture Department in the cause. Only that much.
Highly obliged.
If no order has been passed, pass an order. Okay.
Obliged. May it please your lordships. My lord, fish note dated 3/1/26 lordships. Notice upon respondent number 5 and 6. Served lordships. Flag P, item delivered lordships. Lordships, this matter may please be listed for admission column immediately after vacation lordships.
Why not today? Where is the advertisement?
Lordships, there is no advertisement lordship. This Assam State Commission for Protection of Silage, it was established in 2010. Lord.
How were they appointed?
Lordships, they were appointed.
No, what was the basis for their appointment? What are you claiming now? You're claiming for regularization.
Lordships.
Now, what was the basis for their appointment? How were they picked up?
Lordships, when this commission was constituted, at that time, a board of commission was.
No, that posts were never advertised.
Locally, it was advertised. Lord.
Show me that. That there was a selection, people appeared, selection was held, and then they were appointed.
Statement is made.
Statement will not do. You'll have to show me details. Otherwise, some member there, some chairman there will pick up somebody, and to the exclusion of all others, they'll get a benefit now. We are not going to do that.
Lordships, immediately after vacation, lordships.
Now you
Okay,
satisfy this court. Now you have filed a writ petition. Contractual employees, 11 months, contractual basis. What right do you have?
Till 2010, lordships, they are working as on now. Lordships.
Let them work, let them continue. And at the best, Upendas. At the best, Upendas. After 2017, no regularization.
Here I'm only appearing for 1, 2, and 3. 5 and 6, they are.
They have not come.
No, your lordship.
Okay. The office note dated 3/1/2026 reveals that service upon the notices have been served upon respondent number 5 and 6. So accordingly, the respondents being served, registry to list this matter for admission in the admission column on 12/2/2025. 26.
And for respondent number 7, your lordship.
Mr. A. Boro, Learned, R. Boro, Learned, Standing Council, AG, bracketed A&E, Assam is present.
Lordship, so far the difficulties is that Lordship, now the contemner Lordship, Mr. Ayush Garg, he is not the Deputy Commissioner of Borpeta Lordship, the new Deputy Commissioner has come Lordship. So far Lordship.
Mr. Garg, who is the deputy commissioner?
Now Lordship,
Ayush Garg is not the deputy
yes,
commissioner.
yes, at
Okay.
presently he is not.
Ayush Garg was the deputy commissioner from when to when?
Rohan Kumar Jha.
Today.
Rohan Kumar
I'm not
Jha.
interested.
Yes.
Ayush Garg was the deputy commissioner from which date to which date? And when was this copy served on the contemner?
My lord, copy was served, my lord, on 4/7/2023. In paragraph 4, I have stated.
Until when he was there, Mr.
Lordship, exact date, Lordship,
He was there on 4/7.
4/7, Lordship.
When the date the contempt was filed, he was there.
My lord, kindly see order number 10/3/2025. There was a communication before this court made by the earlier DC, my lord.
Where?
Yes,
Or
Lordship.
order dated 10/3/2025.
10/3. Okay, what do you say on this? This is enough. That there are cases pending against you. Why should you be appointed?
But in the advertise, there was no such condition, my lord. I am not convicted, my lord.
Need not be.
And that
Police
communication was not,
verification report is adverse to you.
that
What is the
communi-
meaning of a police verification report?
Lordship, that's true, but that communication was not informed to me till date.
It is there. It is here.
Before, for the first time before the.
Oh,
court.
you pointed this out to me. I missed this out. You pointed it out. So you know it.
Lordship, for the first time before the court only, it was not communicated to the petitioner.
Because this is contempt between him and me. So where is the contempt? No. Show me the contempt. Willful and deliberate violation.
That representation directed to dispose of the representation.
You want
that
to
was
be
not-
technical? It is submitted in the it is submitted by the Lanka Council for the respondent that the contempt respondent in the present in the contempt petition is no longer holding the post of is no longer the incumbent in the post of District Commissioner Borpeta. So the Lanka Council for the petitioner shall file and shall implead the present incumbent in the post of District Commissioner Borpeta after giving due notice to the said incumbent. So register to list this matter immediately after filing of the interlocutory application by the petitioner hearing. Show contempt.
But this is a contempt petition against my lord, order passed on 2023, 19/10/2023. my lord.
Lordship, here on behalf of respondent number 2, but we are filing the affidavit. It's in the process.
Forget the affidavit. What about the compliance?
Lordship, here the respondent number 2 has retired from service on.
Who was to do it?
Lordship, it's the government. She is appearing for the first
Entered
sector.
appearance today, Lordship. I filed my.
Okay, why not comply? Why this order is not complied with? Orders are passed on
23, my lord, 19/10/2023.
19/10/23. Madam, what were you doing till this date?
Filed an appeal, Lordship, we have filed an appeal.
Then what happened?
Lordship, it was filed only 2 days back.
2 days back.
2 days back
Forget it.
only. Lordship,
So why this whole time you were violating this order?
Lordship, on receiving the instruction and further clarification, Lordship, then only the
23 to
Yes, Lordship, it's
26,
there.
you
It's
were
there.
getting this clarifications.
It's there, Lordship.
It's then contempt is writ large on the face of it.
Lordship, we have the sequences when and where it was clarification was sought or instruction was received.
You have brought that on record in the delay condonation
Yes,
application.
Lordship.
But the latest decision is against you, Supreme Court.
Lordship, some time, Lordship.
I'll give you time, giving you time because the petitioner counsel is Mr. N.J. Khatunia.
Yes, Lord.
He makes
Yes.
this submission from this side very frequently.
Yes, Lordship.
So he should also get that medicine sometimes.
Yes, my lord, that I understand.
He should also get it.
That I understand, but the writ petition is of 2012, my lord. Order was passed
Uh,
on
it
23.
is submitted at the bar that the respondents have filed an appeal against the judgment dated 19/10/2023 passed by the learned passed by the coordinate bench in WPC number 0133/2012. Also, registry to list this matter again on (23/2/2026), on which day, on the next date of listing, the parties shall apprise this court about the outcome in the writ appeal preferred by the respondents.
My lord, they have filed only the writ appeal, not the delay condonation petition, my lord.
That I don't know. Because I can't hear you. I only find you here now.
Obliged, Lordship.
I think just before the vacations, you made a similar prayer somewhere.
No.
One before the vacations, I suppose.
Lordship, he frequently makes that.
That daily. So one he should get back. Then he'll understand the
Agony of the.
My lord,
May I please your lordship?
the single judge's order, my lord, is in the month of May.
May I please your lordship?
2024.
I am appearing on behalf.
wait, I'll hear you. Yes.
The single judge's order, my lord, was dated 8/5/2024. Thereafter, there was an appeal preferred.
That also dismissed.
Dismissed, my lord. Now there are no impediments, my lord. The last occasion the matter was taken up was on 12th of December 2025.
Where is the direction?
My lord, page 12 and page 13, my lord. Paragraph number 16 at page 12, my lord. The order of suspension is accordingly held to have spent its force.
Yes. You have not been reinstated till now. Yes, madam.
May I please your lordship? I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Dinath. Mr. Dinath.
Ah.
Mr. Dinath is on leg. Lordship,
Okay.
may I kindly pass over the matter for the timing?
Time being. Okay. You have gone to the Supreme Court, no? Have you gone to the Supreme Court?
Lordship, I am unaware of the
Okay. Present.
My lord.
oblige.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner retired on 31/1/24, lordship. After that,
Just a moment, just a moment. Yes, 38.
Yes, lordship. Here the petitioner lordship retired from service on 31/1/24, lordship. And thereafter, lordship, his post-retirement benefits as well as his pension has been withheld, lordship, on the basis of an application, lordship, filed by his wife, lordship, that she is living separately from him and receiving maintenance, lordship. He filed an application.
In the office note dated 5/1/2026, which reveals that the service upon respond number 8 is complete. Accordingly, registry complete. Excellent. Who is the first wife?
There is no two wives, Lordship. Only she was the wife. She is living separately, Lordship.
And you are?
I am the husband, Lordship.
Oh, your wife has made this complaint.
Yes, Lordship. She is living separately.
You have not divorced her.
No, Lordship. She is receiving maintenance, Lordship. She is living
Maintenance.
separately.
Yes.
Lordship, as per
Where is
our
the complaint?
instruction.
Is the complaint on record?
Yes, yes.
The complaint is on record. Where
Yes,
is the
Lordship,
complaint?
at page 22, Lordship.
Have you married for the second time?
No, Lordship.
You have not even made any application in name of any lady.
No, no.
Huh?
No.
Wait.
Lordship, all the benefits has been given except pension because he till date has not submitted the required documents for submission of as this has to be uploaded through Kritagata portal, Lordship. So this is our written instruction.
I do not have, Lordship.
Everything has been given, Lordship. Leave encashment, GPS, GIS, DCRG, everything is paid.
When?
This case is
Date?
from 20.
Lordship. It was on 24 Lordship, 15/5/24 GIS amount, then DCRG in 18/2/2024. Then provisional pension also, Lordship.
He is getting provisional pension.
Provisional pension is there, but till date he has not submitted the
Where have you
particulars.
made these statements?
Family particulars, Lordship. That's
Where have you
why.
made these statements? That you were not given the
Lordship, in paragraph 5, I have included.
Is it credit? 7.
What is paragraph 6, Mr. Counsel? Madam, paragraph 6.
Yes, Lordship, I have the written instruction with date and the account number where it is credited,
See paragraph 6.
Lordship.
Don't read it, just see.
But he is living in a relation with another lady.
No, a great thing. Heard the Lana Council for the petition also heard heard the Lana Council for the parties. The issue involved in the present petition would require a detailed hearing. Accordingly, the respondents are directed to file their respective responses. Also, admit the writ petition for hearing. Registry to list this matter for hearing in the month of March 2026. You are getting provisional pension. Be happy with that.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
My lord, in this case, petitioner got the relief, my lord.
Mr. PC, the Learned Counsel for the petition submits that the order violation of which has been alleged in the present writ petition has since been complied with by the respondents. Accordingly, he prays that the present writ petition be closed. Also, in view of the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the present writ petition, present contempt petition stands closed.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Das, what are you waiting for? Oh, it's coming. One more matter in between.
Here, my lord, as per last order of this honorable court, my lord, Commissioner has issued the order, my lord. By the
Have you communicated this order to this decision to the petition?
Though, as after passing of this honorable court's order, my lord, that this order has been passed.
I know that.
So my lord, I have served upon him, my lord.
Yes, what do you say with
Yes, Lordship, kindly come to page 11 of my contempt petition,
Oh.
paragraph number 9.
Oh,
Lordship, they agreed. Kindly see, Lordship. In middle portion, this writ petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respond number 4 and 5 as agreed with the land council.
okay, fine. This is the direction passed by this court.
Yes.
But that cannot be done illegally. No? It has to be done in the process.
Yes.
You don't satisfy that process, they say.
No, Lordship.
You pass an order.
My lord, the commissioner has passed the order.
You
This is-
communicate it to him.
My lord,
Get my point? Communicate to him, then we will take it up. How long will it take for you to communicate to him? A week?
my lord,
It is submitted by Ms. Udas that a decision with regard to the conversion of the fair price shop, converting of the fair price shop license of the petitioner into small e dash PDS oblique P oblique E dash RCMS, page 11 under a bracket quit edition, right? Was considered. However, the same was not agreed to by the competent authority. So she submits that an order in this connection would be issued to the petitioner within a period of 1 week from today. Also, registry to list this matter again after Bihu.
my lord,
30,
reply of lord.
30,
My lord,
31/2026. A copy of the communication dated 19/11/12/2025 produced, furnished by Ms. Udas is kept on record and marked as X.
my lord, obliged.
You pass an order, let him know. Service is not complete.
It's taken long back. And this
11.
petitioner's malady he has recently been diagnosed with cancer. Advised chemotherapy. Because of financial crunch, malady has not been able to follow this chemo schedule. That is the real problem. Otherwise, no urgency, I understand.
Yes, Mr. Taluda. Has this proposal been forwarded to the AG?
No. Perhaps no, man. Perhaps no. But I'm not sure, man.
Which is the department?
Forest, man.
Get hold of Mr. Gogoi or somebody. We'll see what can be. Mr. Borthakur or Mr. Gogoi, somebody you get. Thorough 44.
Order violated is at page 26. 26 and 27. And there was an appeal, the appeal was also dismissed. That your lordship will get it at page 32.
But Mr. Das, the respondent number 4 is represented.
Given
Lordship,
one,
I'm for respondent number 3, Lordship API.
they have
Respondent
given
number 3, 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
They have given one letter even copying marks to me also, my lord. In some matter is before the AG. They have not filed any affidavit. This is the position now. This is dated, let the officials, my lord, they know of the matter, so let them come and appear before the court and say so. 800 something contempt petitions per year, man, in Guwahati High Court. About 800. And writ appeal, I mean, they have preferred a writ appeal that has been dismissed. The Lordship will get it at page 32.
Who would be the, which is the department is to put and civil
Finance is there, finance is always there because.
Assam Information
Commission.
No, they are not the authority. Well, the authority is the government. Well, the government is
Which
to sanction.
department in the government?
Department is the.
administrative reforms. That's no one, my lord.
Who is appearing for that?
No, Lordship, finance will come only.
Secondly, who is appearing for the ART?
Unless finance releases the fund, because, yes.
Lordship, education.
They'll have to send a proposal first before that, Mr.
Four, my lord, respondent number 4, Commission Secretary, he is commissioner. Number 1, my lord, Shantanu Gotmari.
Oh,
Number 1 and.
Let him appear and says.
he's still there.
Government appears for the.
Yes. The Santanu Gotmare is still there, Commission Secretary. Miss U. Sharma, learned government advocate, is requested to receive instructions from the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Administrative Reforms and Training Department with regard to the compliance of the directions passed by the coordinate bench of this court wide order dated 28/6/2024 in WPC number 5578/2023, which directions were upheld by the division bench of this court in writ appeal number 357/2024. They said instructions be received and placed before this court on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on first you got DD 9/2/2026. 9/2/2026, showing the name of Miss U. Sharma, Government Advocate, in the cause list.
One extra copy may be good because his name is not shown in the.
Oh, no, no. Mr. Counsel, give her a copy of the. Give her 2 copies so that one she can retain and one she can send. So it will be easier.
But the matter is, because of the letter, the matter is pending before AG's opinion.
That they'll get it. You can have this back, mister.
My please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw this petition. As the petitioner has been terminated from the services.
Mr.
MR Sodial.
MR? Sodial. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. Submits on instruction that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. So prayer accepted. Writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Deeply obliged.
In view of the caveats will be hard.
My lord, in this case, in the main writ petition, we have filed affidavit today. And we have filed one IA, my lord, praying for vacation or modification of certain orders, my lord. That IA has not come up, my lord.
Have you received those copies, Mr.?
My lord, I have received what has happened, my lord, on 7/11/25 by this court, my lord, directed the petitioner, the respondents to, under such circumstances, the respondents are duty bound to carry out the directions of the court, giving full effect to the interim order passed by this court, and they are to give 7/11/25 order. So they have filed an application for vacation of the order and they have also filed affidavit. Under these circumstances,
We'll take it up.
matter is urgent, the entire matter may be heard.
Oh, when? It is, that
Next week.
affidavit is here. They,
Yes.
when did you file it?
Today, my lord, today we have filed.
Huh?
Today, IA we have filed on 15/12, my lord. 15/12/2000 and IA filing number 16279/2025.
Filing number?
16279/2025.
16279/25,
Filed on 15/12/2025.
but not listed.
Not listed, my lord.
They have filed affidavit in opposition also. Madam.
And today we have filed affidavit in.
Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health Department submits that interlocutory application being 16279/25 bracketed filing number was filed on 15/12/2025, praying for vacation of the interim directions passed by this court in WPC number 4050/2025. He further submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed by the respondents represented by him in WPC number 4050/2025. So, as the affidavit has been filed in the matter, comma, the Learned Counsel for the parties have submitted that as the affidavit of the respondents have come on record, the writ petition being WPC number 4050/2025 be taken up for final consideration. So accordingly, registry is directed to list this matter again when?
I'm ready even tomorrow, my lord. Any date, your lordship.
This week, 3-4 days would
Next
be
week,
due.
my lord.
After the Bihus, any day.
Yes, after the meals.
When, but pura fix na, Mare. Dina pari. 30 earliest.
As admission, as admission.
31/2026 as admission, for admission, along with the interlocutory application filed by the
That would not be
respondents.
necessary because in view
No,
of the affidavit
because
filed.
it'll have to come on record, otherwise it'll like this.
Disposal, these persons are in very great difficulties.
We'll consider that.
Attempt for disposal.
Along with the affidavit, my lord, filed today.
You get it.
Attempt
Otherwise
for
we'll-
disposal.
You have given a copy to Mr. Das.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I got it. Attempt for disposal. will be-
Mr. Das, if it comes before me, just make a mention. I'll do that.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, there is an interim order that will. continue.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Both the cases. Both cases are there.
1834/2025, likhi diba? Duta ekalage my idea. Filed an affidavit in both the cases.
No, my lord, in
Not
4050.
necessary.
1834 khali likhiba, list this matter along with WPC number 4050/2025 on 31/2026. There is an interim order here.
Yes.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? In this case, your lordship. The petitioners are your lordship. Praveen and Ratna.
Oh, that
Lordship.
yes.
What has happened, that your lordship has come to an end, your lordship.
Oh.
And your lordship will get the judgment at page 51. And finally, this honorable court held, your lordship.
51 of the writ petition.
51 of the writ petition, your lordship. Para 17, your lordship, make 16 and 17. Para 22 last, your lordship. 22 para, last paragraph, last few lines, your lordship. That being the position, insistence of Hindi as a special subject in graduation, in absence of any prescription by NCT, or in absence of notification by issued by the state in exercise of power under rule.
No appeal against this.
No appeal against this, your lordship. And in fact, your lordship, our case, we have to file another, the present writ petition. Your lordship may kindly come to your lordship's order at page 29. And relevant part is page 36. Your lordships
on an interim application has allowed us to participate in a subsequent advertisement, your lordship.
And 310022 has now been disposed of.
Disposed of. Now, your
Yes,
lordship,
Mr.
they
Kalu.
did not consider us, therefore we have to come, your lordship. And they filed an affidavit, your lordship. They are relying on that, your lordship may kindly see their affidavit. Subsequently, they have issued an order at page 80, your lordship, notification, making it mandatory. Now, this was dated 9 September 2025. This
The-
cannot take
the
away my
decision of the court is on.
of your lordship. This was much prior to that, your lordship. It was on
So this will only have a prospective effect.
prospective effect, your lordship. This was order is dated 9/5/2020. Now, in the IA, your lordship, was this honorable court was pleased to direct them to keep 26 posts for the vacant, your lordship, for the police. Out of these 26, your lordship, 20.
Some elementary Assam education manual.
Your lordship got it, your lordship.
The advertisement was of?
Your lordship, advertisement we have.
No, that was just an age that.
The initial advertisement that we have put to challenge was of 2020, your lordship. That, your lordship, that has been filled up.
That is
But
gone. No, subsequent one.
subsequent advertisement we have, that was, your lordship, dated
23.
lordship, 23. Twenty-seven, 2023, your lordship.
Come back to the order in WPC number 3100.
Lordship.
What about para for 24?
That is in respect of the impugned, your lordship, which we have put to challenge in the main writ petition, your lordship. So far as in the IA, your lordship, we have not challenged anything, your lordship. We have prayed that we should be allowed to participate in the selection process, and accordingly, this honorable court, your lordship,
No, where do I get that?
lordship will kindly come to your lordship's order.
No, that I got it, but in the challenge in the writ petition
Lordship.
and the IA are not the same.
In IA, we have not challenged anything, your lordship.
That you wanted
But
participation.
that has not been, your lordship. So
No, you wanted participation, Mr. Bhatt.
lordship, that your lordships allowed, your lordship.
But in the main writ petition,
Lordship.
an earlier advertisement was under challenge.
Lordship. So far as the problem created by the fact that, your lordship, the honorable court, this was a judgment reserved, your lordship, while disposing of, has not made any reference to the order made in the IA, your lordship, and what that has created. But your lordship will kindly see. And even otherwise also, your lordship, this cannot be, because 2023 advertisement in which we have been allowed to participate by the municipal court, that has, your lordship, they have filled up those posts only few months back, your lordship, when we have come up with the present IA, your lordship. Due to some litigations, the posts were not filled up, your lordship.
But this IA
Lordship.
was not disposed of.
That IA, your lordship, has not, that IA was not considered.
So that writ petition going, this IA will also die a natural death. This was only an interim arrangement.
Lordship, definitely.
If that is not confirmed by the final orders,
Lordship.
this IA will have got no existence of its own.
No, your lordship will kindly see, I am not on that, that IA
Mr.
is
Bhattakar,
lordship.
you were permitted to appear
Appear,
in terms of an interim direction,
lordship,
right?
lordship,
There is a further order there
lordship,
that don't declare the results without leave of this court,
lordship,
right? This was to protect your rights till the issue was decided by
Lord.
this court. This court finally decides the issue,
lordship,
but says nothing about the
lordship,
leave to be taken or the
Lordship.
leave to be granted,
lordship,
right?
lordship.
And this admittedly was a second round of litigation.
This is your lordship.
A second selection, not the selection which
Lord.
was in absence of that. How can this court now again reopen? This is amount to reopening that.
No,
petition.
that cannot, that may not be your lordship, which utmost respect and humility in my command, your lordship, I am submitting.
No, no, Mr. Bhattakar, this is a doubt
Lordship.
which has
That-
arisen. I'm asking you.
Lordship, that may not be your lordship, because your lordship, it is, see, the moment your lordship, it has been held. First of all, your lordship has.
Because see, Mr. Bhattakar,
Lordship,
you were not eligible to appear
lordship,
in that selection process
as per the advertisement.
as per the advertisement. Now, we permitted you as an interim measure.
Lordship,
Now, the determination whether you were eligible or not, that has to be declared.
that has.
That declaration is not qua the advertisement.
No, your lordship will kindly see the language which has been used by the honorable.
No, I can para 24, 25, I can call out that.
Lordship,
But do I have the power to call out? It should be apparent.
lordship, your lordship in exercising your lordship 226 power, your lordship, when.
Yes,
the-
Mr.
It is.
Talda, what do
apparent,
you
your
say?
lordship. And your lordship will kindly note one.
Mr. Bhattakar, safest course is file a review here. Because why I'm saying so? Come to para 24 again.
Lordship.
The last line of para 24.
However, the determination made here shall be made applicable in future advertisements until such.
Determination is by that order.
Lordship,
Advertisements coming thereafter
lordship,
will be covered.
lordship,
But you had a case of an advertisement in between.
lordship,
One line there would have done it for you.
lordship. In my humble submission, your lordship, once the issue has been settled, your lordship.
I can get it.
Lordship.
But see, that was not an independent.
No, but your lordship, when your lordship is
You
exercising.
give it a thought, mister. I'll also
Lord.
give it a thought.
Lordship,
We can't let these people hang like that.
lordship,
We'll give it a thought. We'll have it immediately after the review.
lord,
But if you find that you have to file a review, you go ahead,
lord,
file a review.
lord.
But the Lanark Council for the Parties, so as agreed to by the Lanark Council for the Parties, registry to list this matter again on a wonderful 19 19/1/2026. Mr. Talda, have you make your submissions on that? What is your stand?
We have filed our affidavit, my lord.
Forget your affidavit. Affidavit is nothing in here. What do you say about the stand taken by the contention of Mr. Bhattakar?
I will.
It's a legal argument. You will have to make, you develop that.
My lord.
Lord. Deeply obliged.
Mr. Nath.
Seven,
What is on this?
It has made time being,
Why the order is not being complied with?
Malad, it is under process. I have been instructed. I have received an instruction, Malad, that some view has been sought for from the.
Why? What view is required here?
But,
Two views of two courts, legal
true,
courts.
that's true,
Now, whom have you sent this view to?
That's true, Malad. The file is processed, Malad. It is with the highest law officer of the state, Malad, and
some, Lordship, my instruction
Because
is,
the order of the division bench, it's an appeal filed by you.
yes, Lord, we have filed.
Was passed on, when was the division bench order?
2411, my lord.
2411, my lord.
2411.
That's true, that's
And
true.
the man is still not in service.
But kindly for the last time, my lord, give us 2 weeks. my lord.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Nath, registered to list this matter again on 9/1/2026. On the next date of listing, Mr. Nath shall place before, okay, 9/1, that face,
My lord,
Mr. Nath's face is very sad.
My lord.
my lord,
19/1,
let it be on,
19/1,
Lordship.
19/1/20, on which date Mr. Nath shall place before this court the compliance order.
Failing which, my lord?
Failing which,
It's
that
already-
what will happen,
I'm
that
grateful.
already
on
before your
that
lordship.
day, how the stars are.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful.
On that day, how the stars are, we will do what is.
I'm grateful, my lord.
I think more than this is not required.
If it's complied, my lord, I'll be, the client will be,
And post him, the department proceeding is still pending.
my lord.
Post him somewhere,
No,
Bodia,
in the DP
Dhubri
already, in the
or
DP
Delhi.
in the DP already report is there,
No,
it's
no.
at the final stage.
Para 21 of Ajay Chaudhary,
My lord.
My lord.
subsequent part empowers you to post him anywhere you want.
There is some issue, my lord, they want to have some,
And that's what the
clarification
single
in
judge
that, my
also pointed out, that any nonsense you can
That's true.
post anywhere.
that's true, that's true.
That's
That's
a quantum is there. Feeling well with this.
56,
66.
66, as prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties registry to list this matter. Not every day, first week of the year.
My lord, on 19th, my lord, it was.
2/2/2026.
But if not, if my lord, that
Chetri,
content matter, my lord,
you go, Mr. Sastry.
Lordship, the content matter, if not inconvenient, can it be on 20th, my lord, on 19th?
20,
Some
20,
difficulty.
20, 20, 20.
Lordship. Highly obliged.
The other contents remain the same, my lord, that complies.
Yes,
My lord,
yes,
I'm
yes,
grateful.
yes,
I'm
yes,
grateful.
everything's.
Compliance report, naturally, division bench has passed an order.
That's true, that's.
What can I do?
That's
Yes, Mr.
Lordship.
Item number 66 on.
66 on 2/2.
Item 7, my lord, may be disposed of, my lord. He is matter. He getting the arrear salary, my lord.
Got it. It is submitted in the that during the pendency of the present proceedings, the petitioner has been authorized, the authorized is due arrears salaries. So, Mr. B. Purkhais, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has confirmed the said position. So accordingly, no further live issue arises for consideration in the present writ petition, and accordingly, the same stands closed.
I'm first.
Mr. I heard you now. I'll have to write. Mr. S.K. Medi, Learned Standing Counsel, AG, is present. We'll come back by 2:15. Have you got it? Anything to say?
Lordship, we have put it in our written argument.
No, the written argument submitted by Mr. Khalid.
They have not specified when they have submitted. They have said they have submitted the Bakizai certificate. They have the Bakizai certificate and they have submitted.
Heard the Learned Counsel for the although the case was fixed for delivery of orders today, the petition, the respondents, the petition parties have filed their written arguments. So, copies thereof was given to each other, with copies to each other. Also, in view of the above position, hearing concluded, registry, hearing concluded, judgment reserved. I'll deliver it on 21st.
From our government side, my lord, the locus may be pointed out.
Lucas,
Because 24 rupees higher, my lord. Therefore, invalid as the writ petitioner is the invalid bidder, my lord, he cannot challenge the others default, my lord.
I'm keeping it reserved. Let me come
My
out
lord,
with
my
it.
lord.
Because I just want to factor in what, because I did not read that.
My lord.
His points, otherwise I'll miss out.
Otherwise, my lord, 1054 is there, my lord.
47 is there.
1054 is saying any dispute, the government is the authority, my lord.
Forget that. But 47 you have.
Yes, yes. I love this.
Namgita Likilo. PJ Monto, senior, assisted by Miss P. Sharma. Take his name. Take us.
Acknowledgement.
English technique. Oh.
May I please, Lord?
Yes.
So, finance department should, bring away this instruction.
Where is finance? Okay, we'll have it after views.
That's it.
As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, the registry to list this matter again immediately after the again in the month February 10 to 2025 for hearing. Excellent. 65, no? Yes.
But if some instruction have received by Mr. A. Solia, Lordship, he informed me, Lordship. Earlier direction was to Mr. A. Solia to take instruction, Lordship. There is a clear position of court for the Lordship.
Get Mr. H. Cholia.
Bless.
Mr. Cholia, what is your instruction here?
We have received the proposal, Lordship. The department is asking for 2 weeks' time to consider the case of the.
Okay, Mr. A. Cholia, Learned Council for the Learned Council appearing for the
Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1 submits that a proposal as contemplated as required by the a proposal in terms of the directions passed by the by this court wide order dated 22/2023 in WPC number 5484/2020 has been received by the finance department from the election department. Full stop. He submits that the said proposal is being processed and accordingly prays that he be granted further 2 weeks time to apprise this court about the outcome of such about the decision arrived at in the matter by the finance department. Full stop. In view of the above, registry to list this matter again, February 6/2/2025. What answer to 66? Okay, Jenny. This is still available. Yes, madam. Today, again, this case, somehow there is.
The Lordship may pass the order, Lordship.
No, I want to. I'll have to. Where is the?
Public prosecutor is not here.
See, the memory is very short.
The deep and dumb girl.
I know that.
That case.
But I was thinking about it yesterday night. How can I hold that man? I know he may have done it. But can I say with
Lordship, because there is such a
conviction? Because nothing is there.
Yeah.
It was troubling me yesterday. I was thinking about it. The offense is very heinous. But again, to connect it to that man.
So the girl is a major.
Girl is a major. That also, okay, 376 then. But again, we'll have it.
After
Ms. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Learned Amicus Curiae appearing for the appellant. There is no representation on behalf of the state. Also, for the ends of justice, registry to this matter again on 10/2/2026.
Obliged.
Madam, Sharma. Tentative view is not proof beyond reasonable.
Yes.
If you can get in some material to change me, please try to do that.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, here in this case, the petitioner's the date of birth has been incorrectly recorded in the department's list of regularized employees, my lord, which was subsequently department proceeded to rectify the defects, my lord, in their date of birth, my lord. But finance department, after submitting the proposal, department have not accepted the proposal of the department. My lord, may I kindly peruse the department's affidavit, my lord, which was filed by respondent number 4, Chief Engineer, my lord.
What is your original date of birth recorded?
My original in the
No,
service,
date of birth recorded in the service book.
service book, my lord, that was original service book 28 to 1972 for petitioner number 1 and 31/10/1970 petitioner number 2, my lord.
31/10/1970 for petitioner number 2.
My lord.
What is the basis of this recording?
My lord, that is as per their school record as well as, my lord, in the as per school record, my lord, that was, my lord, that
School certificate.
school certificates, my lord. That was also annexed by the department also.
So that where is that school certificate?
Your lordship, may I found the department's affidavit, my lord, annexure 1, page 100, my lord.
Page 100?
100, my lord.
100.
In affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Page 100.
My lord. Last line, my lord, his age as per, that is in respect of petition number 1, my lord. His age as per admission register is 14 years as on 28 February 1986.
So his age would be 28 to 1962.
93.
1972.
72, my lord.
72. This is 28 to 1972. Okay, you mean to say that this is, okay, then what happened?
Then, my lord, your lordship may come to page number 102, my lord. That is in the petitioner number 2, my lord.
Page?
Page 102, my lord.
102, that is petition number 2. It corresponds. Okay. Then?
Then, my lord, department submitted the proposal, my lord.
No, what was the original date of birth recorded in
In
your
service-
case? This is the original 72 and 70.
My lord, in the service book, my lord.
Then what happened?
That, my lord, their names were actually recorded incorrectly in the department's letter, my lord. Your lordship may found at page. Why I am relying on affidavit, my lord, since my affidavit has been supported the case of the petitioners, my lord. Your lordship may found at page 96, my lord, para 5. That Whittaker statement, para 5, lordship got it.
96.
96. Para
Yes.
5, my lord.
Yes.
Answering department begs to state that in regulation letters, some anomalies regarding the date of birth and names of few longs of employees were found and necessary correspondence had been made to the comment for correction and modification of date of birth as well as name by to his office letter number dated such and such 28/5/2008. In response to the comment letter dated so and so, it may be stated that most of the records of this office, including the records of employees, were completely damaged during the flood occurred at the Chaklagonda on 13/8/2017, my lord. Then page 6, para 6, my lord. As regards statement made in para 6 of the petition answering to best to state that in continuation of this office letter dated such and such, one proposal for correction and modification of date of birth of name of the embankment has been sent to the additional chief engineer P. Chalmari, date Guwahati by number.
When did you join your services? Petition number one?
That their services has been regularized, my lord.
No, when did you join? Muster room.
In my writ petition, page 18, my lord.
Page 18.
Yes, my lord. That is regularization order, my lord.
Oh, for regularization and one, when did you join? First date of joining.
My lord. And 1992, page 25, your lordship, my lord.
Page 25.
25. One 1992, my lord. That is in respect of their service book, my lord. And 23 for my lord petitioner number 1. Date of appointment, first appointment as worker in PWD department, 19/8/1991.
23.
91, my lord. One is 91, my lord, and another is, my lord, 1992, my lord. Space 23 and 25.
And what is the basis of this date of recording of this date?
As per their school certificates, my lord.
So this corresponds to the date in the school certificate.
Hello?
This date corresponds to the date in the school certificate.
My lord.
Huh? Then what was the problem? What
Then-
is the date now that the respondents are taking?
My lord, in fact, my lord, finance department have raised objection that the correction is not made within 3 years, my lord.
No, where is the question of correction? Because the date you say is the date which you disclosed when you had joined MR. Yes,
Hello,
Mr. Borpujari, what is the issue? Because yesterday I could not go through this, yes.
Your lordship,
They have joined their services by giving details of their date of birth. In course of time, my lord, it was found that their date of birth was incorrect according to them. So therefore, they initiated
What is the initial date of birth given?
initial date of birth as per the writ petition, it is 28/2/1972. And so far as petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2, it is my lord 31/10/1970. So this is what the
That is what they are claiming.
Yes.
But what is the date what is the date that you say is wrong?
No, we do not say it is wrong. We say that as per the service record, they have retired, my lord. They have gone into superannuation. The petitioner number 1 is on 16/2/2017. That is spelled out in our affidavit.
Okay, and petition number 2?
Petitioner number 2 is 31/10/2016.
Okay, now where do you get the corresponding date of birth to this date of superannuation?
But this is provided by the administrative
So,
department.
where is that material?
That material, perhaps they will have.
that is
Our-
the
our-
detailed affidavit, my lord, is there, my lord.
Our stand is that after having.
No, I got it. So
Super-
there is 2 dates of births
Yes,
in respect of each of the petitioners.
our finance department stand is absolutely limited to the extent, my lord. we have-
8A, it's 8A correction, SR 8 correction can be within 3.
8C.
8C correction can be within 3 years.
That-
For that, there has to be 2 disputed date of births. Now, one I got 28/2/1972 in the service book,
Yes,
31/10/70 in the service book.
yes.
Now, where is the other date of birth? From where do I get that? Yes,
In their proposal, my lord.
where?
I will show you, lordship. My lord, first page 35, my lord, your lordship.
35.
There is the letter and then proposal, my lord. Correction and modification of, your lordship, got it? Correction and modification of names, date of birth, the date of engagement, etc. in respect already regularized work charge and MR worker, master workers, date such and such. With reference, I have the honor to submit here with the report of correction and modification of date of birth and engagement, names and date of birth, engagement, work charge.
Waisuddin and Abdur Rahman are the petitioners.
And then your lordship may, proposal is at page 37.
I got it. So this is what was rejected by The finance department.
Finance on the ground that was not within 3 years.
Okay. Mr. Dhar, what is the original date of birth recorded when they had joined as MR worker?
Because we have gone by the proposal, that is that what is
Okay, got it.
coming to us, my lord. we
You're
are
not
just-
in service now.
No, my lord, we are continuing, my lord,
You're continuing.
without any salary.
Service to the nation.
According to the writ
And
petition.
one, one
according-
Alam.
person has already expired.
This code takes a little bit time to absorb. Give me that time. Mr. Dhar,
My lord, that list,
if in your list you made some mistake, that is one aspect of the matter. But in your records, if it is demonstrated that the date of birth of the petitioners are 28/2/72 and 31/10/70, then there is no question of correction or change of date of birth. It would be a typographical error which is being sought. That would not be hit by 8A, 8C.
Yes.
So why this big file is required? You just tell me this factor. What is it there in your records? Because he has brought on record 2 documents.
My lord,
Where is that page? 30?
that is in respect of my service records, my lord.
Where do I get that?
Page
Uh,
23, my lord,
Page
23, my lord,
23.
and 25, my lord, for petitioner number 2.
What is the stand of the PWD with regard to these 2 documents? Have they denied the document?
Already magistrate inquiry has been held, my lord.
And this was approved?
Approved. And then proposal submitted to the finance department.
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
my lord, we have submitted the proposal.
Oh, forget it.
Yes.
Their case is you have submitted the proposal for correction. Correction is not maintainable within 3 years. So if that be so, if you say that in the name and the list of persons you have forwarded, there was an error, that would be a different ball game altogether, different contextual matrix, which is the case now. Whether you have rectified, you want a rectification of the date basing on some subsequent certificates given by them, that is one issue. No. Originally, when they came, their dates were 72 and 1970. But in the list of MR workers, this name was Ron Shongli. Where is that list provided?
That lordship will find at page 85. If for a moment lordship see page 85. Page 85. Here, my lord, the comparative, my lord, dates have been spelled out. Page 85, my lord, column number 7 and 8. Correction modification of now proposed Abdul Rahman. date of birth.
This is what I want, Mr. Dhar.
Yes, my lord.
Serial number 8. How did it come into existence and what is the basis of these dates?
Because according to them, they have been made to superannuate at a much earlier.
Earlier stage.
Yeah.
So if this is the date which you can relate back to a declaration made by them when they joined, fine. Nothing like it. They will not be permitted to come to column 7 date. But if column 7 is the date they declared when they joined as master roll, and that date continued and column 8 is a mistake committed by your typist, why should they suffer? Heard the learned counsel for the parties at some length. On the next date of listing, Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel PWD, shall apprise this court, on receipt of instruction, as to the basis on which the date of birth of the petitioners were recorded as 16/2/1957, bracketed petition number 1, and 31/10/1956, petitioner number 2, in the list of employees sent up for, in the list of muster roll workers, muster roll / work charge employees sent up for regularization of their services. So, the petitioners in the present proceeding have claimed that at the time of joining their services, as muster roll workers oblique work charge employees, they had declared their date of birth as 28/2/1972 and 31/10/1970 respectively. Right? Just get that.
Right.
If you have a basis for 1957, we will not allow Mr. Alam to walk into the court. We will dismiss the case before that. If not, you will have to send back the proposal again to the FINAC.
In fact, in the meantime, they have got a magistrate inquiry also, my lord. And
Oh,
they have-
forget it. We don't want, we want from Mr. Dhor's records.
My lord.
You might have declared, who knows? It happens. Raise it to list this matter. How long will you take?
My lord,
After Bihu, my lord.
Bihu, okay. India had it. এই বহুত বেছি গরিব মানুহ বহি আছে আগত
They are not receiving any salary also.
কাম কৰি আছে চৰকাৰৰ দিয়া 2-2 2-2 is the earliest
My lord.
of further hearing
My lord.
and you continue to
My lord.
work. It's good. It will keep you engaged. If you sit at home, you will get diseased.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, in this case, kindly pass over for to lordship. I am not prepared to the lordship.
Why?
And
You had
may be
any
fixed lordship.
other busy work yesterday?
No lordship.
Then what is the issue?
The pension
They
will
have
benefit.
challenged, my lord, the enquiry report. Now, we are in a catch-22 situation for the simple reason, my lord, that after enquiry report, we could not bring the departmental proceeding to
No. Is there a stay order?
Yes, my lord. Lordship will kindly see, my lord, order dated 19/10/23. 19/10/23.
What is the charge against him?
First, my lord, receiving illegal gratification.
And what happened to the criminal case?
Criminal case, my lord, the special court, trial court convicted him, filed an appeal before this honorable court, my lord. This honorable court had set aside, my lord, the trial court judgment.
And then independently, department proceeding was instituted.
Yes, my lord. Enquiry is
What is the ground for challenge of the inquiry report?
ground for challenge, my lord, that basically they say, my lord, that in the connected criminal appeal, my lord, they have been discharged. So this is one of the prime grounds, my lord. And the departmental proceeding has taken more than 22 years from its initiation. So these are the grounds. Now, fact remains, my lord, it is the admitted position that the inquiry report has been submitted by the inquiry officer and it has been furnished, my lord, to the petitioner, and petitioner has given his, my lord, so-called reply against the inquiry report.
Yes, what is your ground?
Because of the so-called, my lord, status quo order.
Yes, lordship, and lordship, I mean, not today is not prepared lordship. Any other may be fixed lordship. I will prepare on.
We are in, my lord, extreme, my lord, situation. Because
After vacation lordship may be fixed.
they may be pleased to fix a date, my lord.
Yes, lord.
We can endeavor, my lord, to dispose of this. Because he will have his remedy, my lord.
That is what I am thinking.
But stalling the departmental proceeding, my lord, midway, and that too when, my lord, it has culminated.
No,
into
no,
an-
what is that?
Basically, that is the ground, my lord. That,
Oh, you have retired from service?
Yes, lordship.
and he is getting provisional pension.
And when was the inquiry report submitted?
It is, my lord, on
Where is that inquiry report
Yes,
page?
yes, my lord, yes. My lord, it is submitted on.
15/9/2012 lordship.
15/9/2012.
Yeah, it starts from page 39.
Yes.
2012. Now, our explanation to the, my lord, a flux of time is that, my lord, we
Just
had.
a moment, just a moment.
My-
just a moment. What is this enquiry report?
It starts from page 39, my lord.
And what is charge number 2?
Charge number 2 is, my lord,
That is the only charge which has been held to be proved.
no, my lord, yes. Charge number 1 is also, my lord, proved.
No, it is left to the discretion of the criminal court.
Yes. And charge number 2 is, my lord, therefore, charge irresponsibility, misconduct, attempting to mislead the government with discharging his official duties with higher.
Okay, the only allegation now is he submitted casual applications. Rightly so. Rightly so, still. If this is your inquiry officer's way of submitting an inquiry report, God help. God help.
That is true.
God help.
Now,
Third day, learned counsel for the parties. So, pleadings in the matter, you have filed the affidavit.
yes, complete.
Pleadings in the matter is complete. Admit the writ petition for hearing. It already in hearing.
Yes, yes.
Registry to, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter for hearing on 22/1/2026.
Please.
Examine Mr. Korpuzari a little bit more. See,
Yes, it is there, but I cannot travel beyond the records, my lord. I will have to.
even if that charge is held to be proved, whether that will require a major penalty. Now he is retired.
No, my lord, that is one aspect of the matter, but the.
Withholding of pension, there is no a loss cost to the government. And
Absolutely.
that is not even quantified in the inquiry.
Whatever it is, but decision-making process has not culminated. That is my case, man. It has not culminated. Why stop midway?
Your idea is that we should say, close this writ petition, require you to go ahead and ask the learned counsel for the petitioner to prepare a fresh writ petition. If he accepts that, it's better for him also. I'll do that.
Well, my lord, the office is also, my lord, waiting, awaiting, my lord, decision of this.
Say,
matter.
just go through that.
Yes,
inquiry
yes,
report.
yes, absolutely. I take it, my lord. And I'm so obliged.
Yes, Mr. Das, what is the outcome?
Worship, the instructions as per
Miss,
this, on 19th September, the proposal has been sent to the finance department by, from the HAD department, Lordship.
why again to the finance department?
Lordship, I am clarifying. I have all this. I have flag mark also, Lordship. After the proposal was received on
This is
19th.
by you, madam.
Huh?
This was by you. Documents are given.
Yes, this is by me. Lordship, the first page is the instruction which has been given to me, Lordship. And second, all the documents that has been provided to me, Lordship. Now, the main thing is, Lordship, there are some procedural complexities. It is to be issued in favor of the late employee, Lordship, posthumously or to the next of kin.
You issue it posthumously, send it down up there wherever he is.
Lordship,
He
there.
will draw it there and send it back to his family. If these things cannot be resolved by your officers, your commissioners, secretaries,
Yes, Lordship.
who is going to small issues? You send around the file circulating the whole dispute. What is this issue, madam?
Now, my lord, it is pending before the SIU because, my lord, what has happened, my lord, 3 errors have been committed at 3 stages. Number 1, 10 persons.
I don't want to hear anything. Likha. Heard Miss the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss M. Bachaji, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate appearing for the state respondents, and also Mr. R. Borpujari, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department, and Mr. R. M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, NC Hills. Also, the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the parties have brought to the forefront that the proposal with regard to release of the first salaries of the salaries in respect of the service, salaries in respect of the services rendered by the deceased husband of the petitioner is under process. So, the Lanark Council for the parties have submitted that this court may take up this matter after 3 weeks. And within the set period, a resolution of the issues arising in the matter would be arrived at. So, accordingly, considering the fact that the petitioner is without any assistance from the considering the fact that the petitioner is without any source of income after the demise of her husband, this court, accepting the submissions of the Lanark Council for the respondents, directs the registry to fix this matter again on, I think, on 30/1/2026. On the next date of listing, the orders towards authorizing the petitioner to draw, sanctioning to the petitioner on the next date of listing, orders sanctioning the area salaries of the husband of the petitioner shall be placed on record. So, in the event the process is not taken to its logical conclusion, further orders as would be deemed necessary would be passed on the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Barbroja, I'm sorry, a lady should not be left like this because of your fault. Maybe you, maybe she, maybe he.
Not our fault.
Oh, Mr. I'm saying the
yes,
system.
System.
If you deny it, it would have been a different issue. altogether.
There is no denial, Lordship, but there's some procedural
And
complexities.
from
that I must,
7,
Lordship.
from 7, it's very, it does not
And my lord,
good to look.
my lord, with all utmost respect, my lord, if I may submit, system is correct only because of the officials. Only because of the officials. Only because of the officials.
For further hearing.
Yes, and Lordship may
Just a
please-
moment, just a moment, just
Lordship may be pleased to keep this as part head, man.
system. Okay. Officials have,
Last page also may kindly be seen, Lordship, of this.
and the officials who had committed this can be identified,
The
department concerned?
They,
Okay, done. Your mutual fund money, we will try to find it out for you. Your NPS money, don't worry. Mr. Das, Ms. Bachaji, please inform.
Lordship.
Further hearing, Kodisatu.
If finance clarifies, Lordship, our
You
officer.
clarify, I'll wait till the day you pay, thereafter I'll catch. Sir, 15 years you keep a man hanging for no fault of his.
I'm obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
We will ask the chief secretary to carry out an inquiry in the matter. Ivan?
My lord, this matter.
99.
My lord.
Anything more?
My lord, the recommendation has been made.
Where is the recommendation?
Page 38,
38.
19/9/2023. And relevant is page 41. Lordship.
This is by DLC.
Yes, earlier, Lordship, I approached
41, where?
Lordship, in 2023, I approached before this honorable court. That is the order, Lordship, is
This is dated? DLC meeting dated?
DLC meeting, Lordship, dated 19/9/2023, page 38.
This is wrong, Lordship, whatever is there.
Then it didn't go up before the SLC.
SLC, Lordship, yes, SLC,
SLC, what happened?
but yes, a matter has not been placed SLC.
On the
Because
ground
by the time 18.9 came,
18/9,
have
2000.
you challenged 18.9 here?
My lord,
No, Lordship, yeah.
to that effect, Lordship, there is an order of this honorable court, Lordship.
Have you challenged 18.9 here?
No, I have not
This is
challenged.
not challenge and this is after the order was passed, this has been,
My
this
lord,
is their
in
lordship,
that,
page
not
13.
serious cases.
You
that-
come to para 9.
9.
Where is Abdul Qadir Baksh? Order is here? No. Abdul Qadir Baksh,
Yes, lord.
final directions you read. You have the order? Come to the last paragraph, last but one, that directions passed.
Yes, Lordship.
9.
Read the opening paragraph.
In view of the consent of the landed council for the parties, all the writ petitions that are as on today, that is on 3/4/2025.
Pending.
Pending,
Read further.
yes. We have put to challenge the impugned.
Anything more is required. It is not applicable to your case. That decision cannot be applied. Heard Mr. M. Khan, Lanark Council for the petition at length. Also heard Ms. M. Bachaji, Lanark Council for the respondents. Registry to list this matter again on 21. 1/2026 for further hearing. I'm dismissing it, but only postponing the order.
For your Lordship, I will be allowed to withdraw and file a fresh challenging that.
No. You withdraw, I permit you, but no liberty.
My lord, otherwise there will be bar, Lordship.
Can't help it. I'll dismiss it. You go. I'll dismiss it. You go up on appeal. That is better.
Lordship, in the appeal, Lordship,
89, where compassion is not generated here.
that is.
Compassion has to be
But
generated.
under similar circumstances, Lordship, this honorable court, here, Lordship, it was a matter of 1998. This honorable court has, Lordship, considered.
That is not binding on me. When the mother order is Abdul Baksh, that order is also of Abdul Baksh.
No,
Interpreting
they-
Abdul Baksh.
No, this is Abdul Baksh was relied in this.
Relied, that's what I'm saying. When that is for inquiry, because Abdul Baksh says that only cases which are pending till 3/4/25, wherein challenges to 18/9/24, these directions would apply.
No, that is up to 3/4/2025. But subsequently, Lordship, many order this honorable court has passed.
This court will only follow Abdul Baksh. Interpretations of Abdul Baksh is not binding on this court.
There are, Lordship, several writ petition, Lordship, has disposed of, saying that as the petitioner has approached this honorable court earlier, so that part will not be applicable in that case.
You are on the wrong court, can't help it.
Lordship, I have some order in that effect, Lordship.
It already you. I'm sorry.
I'll try, Lordship, on the next day. Apply.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, what has happened?
Lordship, so far, Lordship, now, Lordship, we are waiting for sanction from the finance department, Lordship.
When did you send it to the finance department?
Yes, Lordship, that was on 5/11/2025.
Yes, who is for the finance department?
Not a party.
Can you ask Mr.
Finance is not the party here.
Okay, fine. By 5/11 till date, what has happened? Why is the finance not processing? Finance don't take so much of time. Where is your proposal?
Proposal, Lordship, it is Annex 1 in my affidavit, Lordship. That is the proposal on 27/08/2025. After that,
Annexure
Lordship.
1.
Yes, Annex 1 in my affidavit, Lordship. Page 36. Page 36.
This is, how can you send it in a hard copy? You'll have to send it in the FinAssam portal. Why have we not sent it in the portal? Mr. J.K. Goswami, on the next date of listing, shall apprise this court as to the stage wherein the proposal purportedly submitted by the veterinary, animal husbandry and veterinary department to the finance department for drawal of area salaries of the petitioner is presently pending. Registry to list this matter again on 31/2027.
Lordship.
His retire will be retired on February.
It will not affect Lordship.
Money is in your bank.
It is not effect, Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, more the delay they make, more the belief of this court for interest.
Interest.
So, give them that long rope. It's better for you.
Obviously.
Let them take their time. And then finally, we will pass the orders along with interest. That's all. You are redressed. I thought of giving you a Bihu gift. Can't. Maybe some other day, maybe holy gift.
Lordship. Lordship.
Yes. What is this?
My name is not there.
Oh, your name need not be. You are omnipresent. You are everywhere.
I've been told the petitioner is a cancer patient, so I'll try to take some instructions, my lord.
Not try to take some instructions. I want this order complied with. You have not filed an appeal. Give him a copy.
Let me see.
Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Forest Department, was requested by this court to has been requested by this court to obtain instructions as to why the directions passed by this court wide order dated 5/2/2025 in WPC number 2232/2023 has not been complied till date. Also, Mr. Gogoi submits that he would complete his instructions in the matter and apprise the same to this court on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again at a short date due. 21, 1.
Minus 21, I won't be there. 21, I will be there.
When are you?
After 25 minutes.
20?
5.
25.
26.
26, I mean, he'll get the instruction, give us there itself. 27.
Hello, he may
120.
furnish me a copy of this
Give
petition.
him a copy.
Soft copy will do, my lord.
No, give him a hard copy.
Obliged, my lord.
Oh, no, he is a technically savvy man. You can give him soft copy. He will not understand hard copy nowadays.
No, my lord, it's easy to send, my lord. Within the 5 minutes, we
He
can send.
receives his monetary instructions also in soft form, not in hard form these days.
For us, it will be difficult, my lord.
For
the
now
person
for me
of
it's
our age,
difficult because now I get it in soft
Young
form.
man.
No, I get it in soft form.
techno-savvy.
It's easier to get instructions also, my lord, nowadays through emails. Obliged, my lord.
Mr. Biswas, what are you waiting for? I'm sorry, we will not have time. Because we have a reference. Yes, Mr. What is here? We'll have to discuss.
I appreciate your view. I have got no case. But I should get a minimum.
Upendas, from the date Upendas was.
They're not giving me only 2,000. Probably yesterday also I have tried my best to contact the person.
Upendas.
Yes, Upendas.
Heard the Learned Council for the parties at length. Registry to list this matter again on 22. For further hearing. I'll
Only-
pass the order on 20.
Only one thing, Lordship, the person is working under NHM, not health.
Pardon?
So he is under NHM,
NHM
not
because
under health.
District Health Society
Even the minimum scale of pay, whatever it is.
That is.
direction may be given to
On
the
that-
NHM.
Just
I'll-
remind me on the next day.
Lordship.
Right.
50?
Yes.
Hmm.
In person of last lordship hearing, I have filed an additional affidavit lordship. Lordship. So that this case of the petitioners was under process lordship.
Yeah, go to the compassionate appointment, Khanor Asil Kitia issue,
21st.
21st. Third day, Learned Council for the parties at length, registry to list this matter again on 21. 1/2026 for further hearing decision. Gitu? Further hearing. I'll pass the orders on that. I'm sorry. You will have to go up again. Good?
Hello. 55 million. Date may fix on 55 that some.
Where is Mr. Bothagur?
Yes. my lord.
Yes, before the division bench, code number 3.
Oh,
That's why.
registry to list this, this one we'll have to close.
Yes, my lord. 28 my lord this January. my lord.
Registry to list this matter again on 22 did you?
My 22, I am not here, my lord.
Where are you?
Aizel.
Aizo,
28, my lord.
28. 28. 28.
My lord, I wanted to start my competition. There was a matter, motion matter today, my lord, item 30. It
30
was
motion,
30. my lord.
not motion,
Admission,
admission.
my lords. One of the respondents took time because they had not received no response, but I had an interim, my lord. That was not continued. I was the petitioner.
এইটো 32 30 কোনে লৈছে চাইনে কৰিলে নেকি এইটো আপলোড কৰিছে যদি ডিলিট কৰি হা আহিছে নেকি তাতে এন্ট্ৰি মোডত এক্সটেন্ড কৰা নাই এইটো যদি আছে ঘূৰাই পঠাই দিয়া এইটো মানে ডিলিট কৰি নতুন অৰ্ডাৰ এন্ট্ৰি মোড পাস earlier to continue until further until the next date obviously. There should be a fine on you because of making this mention now.
My lord, I was stuck in code 1. Let's escape from there. my lord.
Thank you.
Problem.